Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you live. Hopefully you're all doing well. Give me just a second. Let me move that over a little bit. Ah, there we go. Good morning everybody. Wait, did I say my intro right? I think so. No, I didn't. I think I screwed it up. The green screen mess up was throwing me off. Let me try this again. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you live. Hopefully you're all doing really well. Welcome to the stream. We're live. How's everyone doing today? Do I have this set to the Elgato? I do. All right, cool. All right, we are live. Cool. All right, guys, give me a second. Sorry, I got like 2 keyboards and mouses in front of me, so I'm trying to make sure I got the right one. Hey, Tulips, did you just follow my Twitch? I got a live notification, but I didn't see it, but I could hear it come through, so I wasn't too sure if that was you. If that was you, thank you for the follow. Extrude, how's it going? Hello, coming from Sympathizers Discord. Sympathizers Discord. Hey, oh, sorry, I muted that. Coming from. Oh, where is that coming from? Sympathizers Discord. Oh, there we go. Sorry, guys, I'm a mess this morning. Why am I having a brain fart on that Discord? Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Hey, King Bob, how's it going, dude? Double Seeks, yeah. Sympathizers Discord. Am I in I don't think I'm in that Discord, dude. Is that another developer? That doesn't sound familiar. Are they a Twitch streamer? Yeah, they are, but do you do coding? Yeah, I don't know. Well, either way, thank you for the... Yeah, I get a notification that you went on live on Twitch. Really? I don't think I'm part of that Discord, though. Huh. Alright, well, cool. Welcome. Do they do coding? Yeah. I'm not a... Oh, okay, that's why. I'm sitting here going, why would I get... Okay, cool. Nice. Huh. I'm not a part of their Discord. Yeah, are you... Huh. I don't think I'm part of their Discord, though. Unless they just added other, like, coding devs in there. For Twitch. That would make sense. Okay, well, hey, either way, thank you for the follow. I do appreciate it, and I'll... Yeah. What's their channel? Do you want to put their URL in? Just letting... Maybe I've seen their channel. That's weird. Yeah. That's cool. I mean, dude, that's always cool. And
new follower.
Thank you for the follow, lovers. Helper. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh, God. One of those people. Never mind. I was excited and then I realized who you were. Yeah, did you follow earlier when I went live, Leps? Over here on... Oh, yeah. Oh my God, Symphony. Oh my God. How are they doing? Yeah, okay, now I know who you're talking about. Yeah. I was really confused. I was like, huh? Who? Yeah, okay, there we go. Now I know who you're talking about. Oh, that's right. That's really nice for her to set that up in her Discord. Yeah, I was really confused. I was like, huh? Who are you talking about? All right, nice. Now I know who you're talking about. Oh, man, I haven't seen a stream of hers in forever. To be fair, though, I haven't done any coding in a very long time. So, nothing much. How about you? I'm doing pretty good, King Bob. Just, we got up early, went and taught cycling, and then I came home, and I've been trying to like get everything set up for coding streams because I had to like plug in everything. Dude, I gotta check out a streamer. I haven't been on Twitch in forever, guys, to watch streams. I've been so busy. Oh man, I hope she's doing well. Yeah, sorry. extruder. I didn't know who you were talking about at first, and I was like, who did? But yeah, thank you again for the follow. I appreciate it. Tulips, thank you for the follow here on Twitch as well. Appreciate it. All right, guys, now that we're caught up, we're good. All right. So for those who do not know, as of yesterday, unfortunately, our company had to lay a few of us off, and unfortunately, I was one of those people. So, you know, that does suck. That's horrible. But you know what? You know, when life gives you lemons, you gotta make lemonade. So, you know, we're gonna do the best we can. Yeah, it sucks, but you know, we're gonna make the best of it we can. So yeah, we're gonna with whiskey. That's I choose coffee. I'll do coffee. So you know, yeah, some people would choose whiskey. I'll choose coffee. So yeah, we're gonna do some coding today. Just a big heads up to you all. I haven't touched code in a very long time. So, yeah, I'm going to be very rusty, unfortunately. So, but yeah, hopefully Irish coffee. There you go. Yeah. So, it should be good, hopefully. Same here. Started game dev some years ago. Had to pause because of health. Oh, sorry to hear about. Oh, but you're back in business. Nice. So when you did, oh yeah. One more thing, guys, by the way. When I say coding stream, there'll be a little bit of code, but it's mostly me talking. But it's a lot of dev stuff that we talk about, so you'll notice that real quick that the VS Code will be there blinking for a very long time, and I'll be doing a lot of this. So, but hey, you know, it is what it is. It's more. Here's what I like to call my coding streams. It's just chatting with some code. So, just a heads up there, guys. Give me a second. Is that? There we go. More talking than coding, way more. Exactly, Mad Dog. Mad Dog knows. I'm looking forward to seeing what life is like after taking a break. Yeah, I haven't, like, I should have taken a vacation. Now that I think about it, I was going to request a vacation like 2 weeks ago. And it's like, no, I won't do that. So, communication is as important as coding skills. That is true. So, here, did I miss anybody's chat? No, it should be good. Hold on. Nice. I disagree. You disagree about communicate? I don't know. I feel like you have got at least some kind of communication skills. Anyways, I probably got out-of-date software on here. So, let's see where we're at. CD projects, LS. Oh my God, look at all these projects I never did anything with. Let's open up VS Code. That definitely probably needs to be updated. So, code. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing definitely needs to be updated. Check for update. There. Okay, here we go. If you want to be a successful coder, you need communication skills over coding skills. Oh, yeah, for sure. Can I send you a Discord? Talk more about your channel. No, I don't like you. Leave my channel now. I don't like you. I'm sorry. Your little copy paste message literally makes no sense. Let's read their copy. Yeah, exactly. You have been very nice content. It seems you're new to Kick. Well, that's incorrect. Streaming frequency without having affiliated yet. Also incorrect. I have a suggestion for you. Oh, I'm sure. I will promote your stream to the Kick community so that you can get 1,000 viewers and make at least 1,000 every time you stream, and encourage additional people to subscribe. We could talk more about this on my Discord. Oh my God. Jesus, dude. It's great. Oh, don't worry, Mad Dog. You want to see what the beauty of being an affiliate is? They're a lover's helper. Check this out. If you don't know what to start with, just go to GitHub and look up whatever you want to refresh with. Yes, that's great advice there for sure. All right, is this ready to update? Restart and update. So King Bob, what have you been up to, dude? If I can do it, you definitely got this. Thank you for Prime. Chat redesign, Codium. Oh, Codium. Yeah, guys. This is Codium. It's basically a GitHub Copilot, but it's free. Yeah, if you guys want something that's like GitHub Copilot, but don't want to pay $10 a month, definitely check out Codium. It's really good. Aww, what a shame. Aww. Look at what happened to the scammer's channel. Aww. Thank you, Kick Support. Fucking hate scammers, dude. Fucking Kick Support on top of it again, dude. Fucking love Kick Support. Thank you. Oh my god, I fuck it. Yeah, they're fast, dude. They don't fuck around at Kick, man. Dude, if this was Twitch, we'd be waiting a month for a reply. Dude, I fucking love Kick Support, dude. Seriously, Kick Support, say what you want about Kick, but they're on top of their shit. Seriously. Like, they don't fuck around at Kick, dude. Like, that team is on it, dude. Fucking awesome. Oohs to you, Kick Support. Seriously. Dude, the Kick staff's awesome here. Alright, but yeah, so this is Codium. It's really good. Oh yeah, PHP, I forgot about that. Alright guys, give me a minute. Oh my god, this thing hasn't been updated. Alright, so that's VS Code is updated. So brew update. We gotta update homebrew. Probably needs a bajillion things updated. Thank you for providing me the additional. Listen, we're currently looking into possible solutions. No worries. Thank you. Oops. Awesome. Cool. Alrighty. Oh, that's good. Brew upgrade. Right? Yeah. So for those people that actually do coding and stuff like that, do you guys code on your how do you guys do it? Do you guys do like MacBook Pro? Do you guys code on Windows? Do you guys have a Linux machine? Do you use a virtual machine to do like yeah. VSC on Linux. Okay, nice. God damn, this thing needs an update. Just up the terminal and type code. There you go. What's your and it's ready. Nice. Oh, VSC on Linux. Oh. Oh, so you don't use like a code editor, or you don't use VS. Or no, sorry, VSC on Linux. Okay, so VS Code on Linux. Sorry, I had a brain fart there, dude. My apologies. Ooh, Bun's updating. Nice. Have you guys used Bun yet? The alternative to whatchamacallit, the alternative to Node. There we go. I can speak words. So. All right, nice. So guys, oh my god. Damn, we need our library updated. Holy moly, that needed a big ass update. Nice. And it's right, exactly. That's what I like about it. Yarn requires a node installation to function. You can install one with brew install node. What are you talking about? Node's installed, isn't it? Node version. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yarn's installed, isn't it? Yep. Bun version. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So that did update. Okay, brew update. Make sure we're all up to date on that. Brew upgrade. Bam. All right, cool. Nice. We're all up to date. Sick. All right. Hold on. Table Plus. Probably need to update that too. Maybe. I don't know. Check for updates. Apparently not. Okay, cool. DB engine. See if that needs an update. Check for update. Oh, that does need an update. Automatically download, install. Yeah, we'll just do that. Don't have to ever worry about it again. Or just download and install it. Yeah, some really good software, especially if you're doing PHP dev. This stuff's really good. It kind of goes hand in hand with Table Plus, which is good. What distro do you work on? Lips. Okay, nice. That's done. Heard. Automatically install update. Install update. Oh, didn't you say Cali or something like that? I think I asked you once already. Okay. Oh shit, Andrew's live. Damn. Hold on. Ooh. Would you mind if we all watched Andrew's stream? I think he's giving some updates on Kick.
Please follow up with anything that sounds like bullshit. Opportunity. Is there anything
Kickception.
in store for moderation dashboard? Yes.
Hold on, guys.
Yes.
So
when that launches,
this right here is Andrew. He is one of the people that work with creators at Kick, right? He's the one that sets you up. Like he basically listens to all the Kick streamers. He works with them. I can't remember his official title. I've met him in real life. He is awesome. This guy's awesome. He usually has a big mustache. He doesn't have one now, but
we're giving.
He's
them
kind
more
of
rope,
right now just kind of talking about like the things that they're trying to update right now over on the creator side for creators on Kick. So, but yeah, Andrew, he's really big into the creator community here. So,
especially around the,
but he'll answer a lot of questions. This is what I like about Kick. They will answer questions. Like if you actually, and they won't like,
about a month or two ago, and we bolstered.
Hold on.
You know, those reinforcements, and we're taking that dead serious, and we're scaling that. Pike 2C, are the KCIP metrics fluid? Every so often I see someone get KPI seed, but their stats on stream charts don't show they hit the CCV. Pike 2C, please give me an example of a specific streamer. If you don't feel like calling them out, I totally understand.
Unreal Engine? Yeah, I've done some stuff with Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine 5's fucking amazing, dude.
If we broker a deal with a streamer that comes from another platform,
right.
Let's say Facebook Gaming is shutting down its doors, not giving contracts anymore.
I mean, it kind of is, right? Isn't Facebook Gaming like
that hasn't hit those
done?
metrics yet?
Dude, that place is horrible. I tried streaming on Facebook the other day. It was a fucking nightmare. I gave up. I was like, I'm done. It wouldn't even like work with Restream either. It was just a nightmare. I was like,
we know
fuck
that they're hitting
this.
the
I'm
metrics
done.
on other platforms, and they're going to.
I don't have a Facebook. You're not missing much.
You might see some of that happen.
I have one for the Sika player page and
Golden Boy Brian. What is Kick
keep connected with like
new viewers?
College people and
trying to bring people over.
Family. That's it.
Behind Kick seems very negative from the general public. Is the API the answer, or is it just trying to sign more streamers?
Yes, API.
So Golden Boy Brian, my opinion is
we need the API.
No, signing more streamers is not the answer, because we sign over XQC and his 80,000 followers will watch him on any platform. That goes for any streamer of his ilk. It doesn't matter if he streams from a tin can. 9 times out of 10, they come to watch their streamer. When this streamer logs off, they're leave.
Gone. Yep.
And we'd be very lucky if 1% of that audience just sticks around on Kick. We're very well aware of that.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't think signing more streamers is the answer.
Well, then what was the point of signing them on then? Well, I guess to bring the traffic in.
It's been a really nice filler for us. We've had a lot of small to medium creators come and grind for KCIP and bringing over their audience. So that's been a huge help. I don't think API is the answer either. In my opinion, the stuff the API offers is a lot of bells and whistles around your stream.
Correct.
I think the answer is with the streamer. Kick is a directory. Twitch is a directory. Facebook is the directory, guys.
I don't know about that. It's a directory. No, it's more of a data farm.
Twitch does very
Facebook
little
is a data farm
campaigns.
Although a lot of these social sites are.
Twitch, Facebook, and the like recognize that if you're producing good content out on the internet, viewers are going to come to their platform.
That is true.
Now, we do a handful of advertising around KCIP on YouTube and on TikTok. But Golden Boy Brian, what I would have to say, and I would have to argue that the top 10% of streamers are going to agree with me here. You have to build your brand. You have to make it so that.
Hey, Smiles, how's it going? Sorry, I didn't see your chat earlier. What time was that? 11:02?
100, 200, 300.
All right, I'm late on that. The third part is a passion. Worked in electronics industry for many years, but never really satisfied with
front page.
Change, mostly coding overall game dev, and I love it every day.
In my opinion, you're
dead. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, sorry I missed your chat, man.
Ben Bratt, what's good, legend? All right.
Smiles and T, how have you been? I haven't seen you in forever. Hopefully all has been well.
Other than KSCP
yeah, sorry guys, I missed your chats. I was like, that's the problem with like the chat widget I have. It like shows me too much of one chat and then I miss the other chats and I can't have everything up on one screen, unfortunately. So my bad, guys. If you're still here, sorry I missed your chats.
And the English-speaking regions. And we feature them on the front page. We do streamer spotlights on kickcommunity.com. We write an entire article for those folks. If you have a tournament idea, you can submit that to our events page on kickcommunity.com. That gets up and coming streamers tournaments going. We
Mash them in the
actually
script.
invest in
Well,
them.
that's what I'd like to
Some
actually
great
work
streamers
on
like
is
Levels and,
my own chat script. I would love to have a chat script that
Good,
does all
we're
this.
talking with right now.
To be honest, like
Las
because
Vegas
right now,
Inferno, which is a small
hold on, let me
esports
turn this
team.
down. So like right now,
We invest
how I
in
currently have it is
dubs.
so I'm on 5 platforms right now. So we're on Twitch, Kick, Rumble,
Yeah, there's a lot of
YouTube,
different
and
ways.
LiveSpace.
You just gotta
We use Restream to stream the stream out to them. Fine. The problem that I'm running into is trying to manage all the chats that come up, and I love that everyone's on different platforms. It's really cool. It allows, you have a choice. You have choice of where you want to view my stream, which is great. So if you like Kick, great. If you don't like Kick, you can stay on Twitch. If you don't like YouTube, you can go to Rumble, etc. It's a great way to get out there and meet people instead of being stuck into one area. You know what I mean? That's what I love about the multi-streaming. The issue I have is trying to manage all these chats. Like Smiles and T just came in at 11:02. I completely missed their chat. They're probably gone. You know what I mean? If they're still here, great. But I got a feeling they're probably gone. You know what I mean?
How do we make sure that people
Can't you just use APIs to make one chat into one? Yes and no. The problem is Kick does not have an official API. So you have to get a little creative with Kick's LiveSpace. I believe they don't have an API. I don't think they might. Rumble, I think, has an API, but I'm not. Yeah, it could be possible. I mean, not just obviously. It would take some scripting. Right.
Reminder: Andrew's in charge of the product. That is Polly, so he can't give too much insight. Yep. Thank you, Mike. I was told there were multiple programs for smaller streamers. RIP. I mean, it depends what you IGT ski like.
So here's the thing that I noticed: a lot of the streamers that are asking him questions, a lot of them ask, "What are you gonna do for me?" You know what I mean? Like, how is Kick helping me grow my channel?
I'm sorry, but for real,
Hold
it's
on.
me, Saman. What's up? Thank you for the host. 15 viewers, welcome in. Humbly welcome. My name is
I mean,
Andrew
we're hosting
Santamaria.
in a way.
I work here at Kick, and I try to answer questions. Right now, I'm answering a question around small streamers.
Here we go.
IGT ski. A lot of people have heard this from me, but I want to take the
This
time
is
on
important.
this, right? What's a small streamer? It's in your head. It's in your head. What's XQC? 80,000, 50,000 CCV. Aiden Ross. Massive streamers, right? But
We'll
what's
get to
GM
coding right
Hikaru
after this,
compared
I
to that?
promise.
He does what, 5K? Is GM Hikaru a small streamer compared to XQC? No. Is Lucci a small streamer compared to GM Hikaru, who does
I don't know who
1,500
that is.
CCV? No. Is the Leeway a small streamer in comparison to Lucci, who does like 100, 200, 300 CCV? No. You can keep going down the
Hey,
line.
Leeway. She's awesome.
You know, the person who has a 10 CCV program, the person who's doing 2 CCVs is going to look at the 10 and say, you're 5 times bigger than me. You got to get out of your small streamer head.
I love it.
The metrics that we have for KCIP for 100 CCV separates
I'll never make
the
that.
hobbyists, amateurs, and professionals. Yes.
I'll never hit those metrics.
It's not gonna be a
I mean,
handout.
maybe, but I would have to
Can you
pull.
roll up your sleeves
I
and
would have-
attain 100 CCV?
Yeah,
We think so.
maybe.
All right. Let's go. Let's keep going.
Yeah, we just got.
Hi, Andrew.
We'll
I sent
build
you
up
a
the
very important
software
DM on Discord if
dev.
you can check.
We could do it. We can
You
get
got a
Kick
minute?
software
I
dev
really
up there.
Appreciate it. All right, so Minduka.
I don't know if I could ever hit those numbers though.
I'm guessing that is your handle
But
on.
honestly,
on
I'll be very
Discord.
honest with you.
We'll look.
I don't know if I would want to. I mean, here's my biggest fear of ever growing that large. I love interacting with you guys. You know what I mean?
Golden Boy, what
If
is
that
the stance
chat's
on people
moving
who
and
are
moving and
tapping up
moving,
other
I'm
streamers
not gonna be able to
sometimes
like.
to
If you watch any of the big streamers like Moist Critical or anybody, they
leave 'em
don't.
alone.
You're
do
lucky
you
if you
see
get
when
your
they
message
walk?
seen.
You leave 'em
It is basically when they do that response, it's because
got
they
bigger
actually
fish
caught a
to
message when they looked
tackle.
over at their chat.
trust me,
But
we know
usually
who
that
tagged,
chat's
we know who
fucking
does follow-
flying.
follows.
You know what I mean? Even in
we
slow
get it.
mode, a lot of it. You know what I
so
mean?
Easy to see too.
But I like that with the smaller
Good morning,
CCV.
everyone.
Yeah, we might not have
All right,
those
I actually
numbers,
love this
but it's
explanation
more
about
of
the
a.
arms, botters
I get
versus
more of a
breasts. Thanks for the
personal
clarification. This should
communication
actually-
with you guys.
Yeah,
you know what I
look, if
mean?
you're
Which is
botting
nice.
yourself, Go be weird.
I mean, I
Go
guess
be
at
weird.
100
And
you
listen,
could still have
if
that,
someone's
right?
pontificating
Just because you have 100 people
on
watching doesn't mean
social
all 100 is
media,
going to be talking at the
look
same
at all
time.
these botters, and you know damn well that person bots. Just look up their charts. And it doesn't even have to be stream charts, right? It could be Twitch tracker if they stream on Twitch, because they do the same thing on Twitch.
Probably.
It's going to look like a block.
Yep.
10 seconds in, bam, they have 500, 600, 700, 800 viewers. No.
May they have a good
And then they
marketing
sustain
program.
that for like an hour and a half, and then it drops off.
Yep.
Get out of here.
And they'll see that too. That's why a lot of the
They
people
sustain
that
it for
are
an
in
hour and a half,
botting
2 hours, 'cause they can only pay for an hour at a time.
so one thing to know, Leps, if you're interested in hearing this
Do your
stuff right here,
research. Dig in.
one thing that
Like,
Kick
if you
looks
know,
for
if you can
is
easily pull
botting
out,
and
Kick can
those
bot.
communities that go, hey, you
Yeah, we let the
join
weirdos
our
go
community
play
and
bots.
follow everyone in our community.
And then
They don't
they
want
bot.
people
You know
to
what?
do the
There's a lot
follow
of
for
people who
follow
do
stuff
bot
either.
that are
They don't like
actually
that.
good
So if
streamers.
you're in those communities or you're
don't
botting,
need to
you're
do
not
that.
getting a part of that KCIP
perfectly
program.
hit their
They don't
metrics.
want people like that. They
Instead
want
of
people that
posting
get
constantly,
organic growth.
Why didn't I get into KCIP? Why didn't I get in verification? You know, why this and that?
I mean,
You know, it's so easy just to.
I don't need. Listen, at the end of the day, I don't need a fucking green badge next to my
then hit
name
the
to feel
metrics.
special on Kick, or Twitch or
Let's see,
whatever. I don't
get an
care
option
about a
to let
badge.
you
Yeah, it's
watch
cool
the
to have,
live
I guess, but
streams
whoop de
live.
do. You know what I
couldn't
mean?
agree
Like,
with you more.
who gives a shit?
Ali's,
I'm still showing up every day.
Ali's,
You know what I mean?
Allison, couldn't agree with you more, and it's coming. We need a VOD that you can instantly clip. I mean,
Yeah.
watch, rewind,
Yep.
all that stuff. That is coming.
Yeah, their clip system needs improvement.
Nordic slots.
I've
good to
never
see
been
you
able
here.
to figure out, like, clip something
all right. Let's
really
go.
well on
W,
Kick.
thoughts on the partners from classes 1 through 3 ever having a different badge or something like that? Yeah, Dubs Music. Listen, from the first class to the beta,
Makes the platform
testers,
and UI more
everyone
enjoyable.
wants a badge for KCI. There's a lot of internal discussions.
what part?
around it.
Again, sorry,
for
I had
one,
a brain
am
fart there.
someone
What do you
who wants
mean?
To have a badge for people who made it into KCIP. I think it's needed, but there's a lot of people who want verification to continue to mean something and keep pumping out those.
Oh, yeah,
those
I
badges.
agree with you.
So
Yeah, I agree
that's
with you
where
1000%
that's
there.
where rub lies. But I think that KCIP badges are inevitable eventually. All right, Tarlin, is Kit going to incorporate a way for us to view the history of our viewers? This way we can see who is supporting and show that appreciation to them. It needs to
That'd be
happen.
pretty cool,
I
like
don't know
a
if it's gonna
mutual
happen in version
follower.
2.
Like if you click on someone and it shows you like, oh, they're also following iGypsy or Big E or something like that. That'd be pretty cool.
But in the meetings that I am in, I advocate for them. I am not the head of product, but I do weigh in. All right, let's see. Hello, Dubs. Massive respect. Okay, Lex Evan. I have a friend that's hit the numbers out for KCIP in the VR chat category. Is it possible for them to be accepted? They haven't yet because it's a muted category.
Muted
I
category?
have not heard that VR chat
What the hell's that
is a
mean?
muted category.
No, it's not.
If you know the handle, let me know.
VR chat muted
But
category.
listen, pools is a muted category, and we still accept.
Yeah, I was
people in
gonna
KCIP
say, yeah,
in
that's
that
not
category.
muted. Gamba and
Look,
fucking
VR chat,
pools.
VTube chat, and pools chat can get wild. And you know there are some streamers that aren't going to make it into those categories because of the content that they produce at a risque level.
Mm-hmm.
But what I can say is that no one's not making into KCIP because they're a VTuber.
Yeah, I was gonna
because
say,
they're,
it doesn't make any sense.
VR chat, or even because they're a gambling streamer. Gambling is muted, but Blonde Rabbit is in it. There's a handful of other gambling streamers that are in it. Same thing with pools. So that's the first I've heard of it.
Is there a delay for you guys for him talking with the audio?
If I skip
There
over your
shouldn't be,
question,
but just let me know if there
it's
is.
Because I already answered one. Dasan, thank you. Mischief.
Nope, okay, cool.
Actually, all right. Andrew, those API
Because this
bells
feeds
and
the
listen to
audio is
chat
feeding through my
happening, give us
capture
your
card, and then I'm
topping activity
kind of just
using
listening to
audio
it through
services.
OBS. So
So I respectfully, partially disagree. Yeah, I agree with you. API and version 2 has been promised since
yeah,
the
it
beginning
has
of the
been
year.
promised for a long
We
time.
have since passed that deadline.
Yep, many times.
I'm done giving
Yep.
deadlines. Right now, I think we're at a point where it's ready when it's ready, but it's cooking. We're not sitting on our hands on it. I think our mistake was to give a date in the first place.
Yeah, they shouldn't have done that. I agree.
We've gone the way of Cyberpunk. I think we've gone the way of the Tesla Roadster. The Tesla Roadster is 2 years promise.
See, that's cool though. But look at that. They sit there and say, "Hey, we fucked up."
Patching their system.
They're not sitting there going, "Oh, it's not our fault." You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? So
patching.
they take accountability.
But I agree with you.
Finally. This is what we need. This
not
is
a
what Twitch needs to do. This is what anybody needs to do. They need to say, "Hey, we fucked up. This is where we fucked up. We'll be better." You know?
It's going to be ready when it's ready.
I'm glad that Kick does that.
All right, let's see. 783. Hi, Andrew. Any chance you can talk to Paulie into doing streams like these?
That's a great. Well, he's probably busy fucking running product, man. You don't have time to do streams.
Paulie is his own man.
Yeah.
To be very transparent with you, I'd rather him cooking in the kitchen.
There we go.
KCIP was being cooked. I streamed a lot less, guys. KCIP's out.
Yeah.
I can relax a little. Now I can learn. Now I can stream. Now I can do these things. But he's got to cook. No mustache makes you look so
Jesus
young.
playing basketball?
I look 55 now.
I think, right? Or was that Moses playing basketball? Who is that?
I'm just trying to find people who have never asked a question in here. A viewer list in mod view, as well as being able to see who actually follows you. Personally, I love lurkers, but I want to know who has me up. I agree. I am a proponent.
Wait, do we not have that on Kick?
List. Let's see.
Oh, we don't.
Everyone.
Oh shit! I never realized that. I thought we did have viewer lists. I just don't ever look at it.
All right, I don't want to hurt my partners. If I have embedded live stream where it randomly selects who's live and plays their stream for each web visit to my website, does this affect them negatively?
Why?
Look, WS.
No, there's no viewer list. Yeah, I never realized that.
Like, I know you have a partner program, right? So if you want to embed someone in your live stream, embed someone in your website that's going live, I don't think it hurts them. For us on Kick, we try to keep everything on platform. But
makes sense.
But we're not like policing.
Now, one thing I think I did read is if you're in the KCIP program, you cannot multi-stream. I don't think you're allowed to multi-stream because they don't want to pay you to be streaming it on other platforms. It makes sense. I get it. You know what I mean?
Hundreds of uses.
Like if they're going to pay you an hourly rate to stream, you know what I mean?
Hope that answers your question. Lexi Pie, is there any way to combat some of the harassment going on this platform with hate raids or those spreading hate and false host outs to try to climb up the charts? Yes, we have a 24/7 report button on the lower right-hand section of your moderation dashboard.
And it works.
You got to use that.
Mm-hmm. I just did it.
I've seen the turnaround be like 90 seconds.
Yeah, seriously. We saw it. 2 laps. You saw it.
No other platform.
Bam. I reported that channel. Fucking deleted.
No other platform has
instantly fucking deleted.
It's amazing. The fact that we're able to do this with me coming from other platforms where I'm like...
fucking 1000% agree with Andrew here. I use it. I just used it.
To get
within minutes, that fucking channel was nuked from the platform.
Someone that I reported 2 skip levels.
It happened the other day. I had a guy come in. He's like, "Hey, check out my channel graphics," and it was nothing but like nudity on there. He wanted me to pop it on my fucking stream so I'd get my fucking channel hit. I'm not that dumb, you know what I mean? That's why I have fucking multiple monitors. And his channel was fucking nuked instantly. Within the time I was like, bam, nuked.
We report everything, guys. We record everything.
Yep.
We try to go after
Andrew's,
and ban those handles. We also are very wary of people who mass report other people because they hate them.
Yeah, that's
You'd be surprised on the amount of streamers that weaponize their communities and just say, "Hey, me and this other person, this other creator have a beef. Go mass report them," and we flag that stuff too. So it goes both ways.
Yep.
But the host outs, yes. If you have too many shady host outs coming to your stream, that gets flagged on our end too, guys.
Yeah.
If all of a sudden you have 7 host outs. From a
fun fact, when we were at DreamHack, Andrew here actually showed us how the reporting system works in the back end. I was like,
But yeah,
Okay,
but-
that's fucking awesome.
Chef-
Dude, that's what I
Chef
love so
Boy
much
on,
about Kick. They are so
question
fucking
would be, why did
transparent.
the
If you have
category get
questions
changed without me
or
doing
anything
so?
like that, they will tell
I'm a
you. They will
bikini
talk to
streamer.
you. They will show you
And
these
with
things.
Kick doing that,
That's why I know they
got
don't
me in
fuck
trouble
around.
several times
Anytime
not
that
being
chat that I
in
just
the
did
correct
instantly just went into a
All right, so here's the deal.
system thing, and
Chef Boy
everybody,
Audio, I
all
don't
the
know your
mods are seeing
situation,
it.
But if
So-
you're a bikini streamer
And they
you're
record
wearing
that.
a
What he's
bikini
saying
and
is
just
true. They keep a
chatting,
record of every
you will likely
report that
be
comes in.
changed to the pools and bikini section. All right, S6. I understand KCIP has rules and you aren't able to stream on certain sites.
Oh, here we go.
However, there is a difference between a streamer and a content creator. I believe Kick would extremely benefit by allowing KCIP streamers to use the new YouTube Shorts Live feature. It is a replica of
I didn't know that
TikTok,
was
which KCIP already allows. It would be insane to funnel in more viewers
Sorry.
from short form live. Totally agree with you, S6. Our beta testers called out YouTube Shorts. 100% agree with you.
Very important.
The problem with YouTube
Oh,
Shorts is that there's YouTube Live, which acts a lot like Twitch, acts a lot like Kick, and that funnel
Sort
can
of.
reverse at any time. All right,
okay.
TikTok and Insta do not have the same interface.
Right. True.
Now there is still talks of allowing YouTube Shorts, but right now we do not.
Really? What do you mean?
If TikTok gets banned from the United States for any reason, you might see talks around YouTube Shorts get escalated.
Right.
But I want to make it clear that because YouTube has the same type of funneling system and UI, that makes it easy for that funnel to get reversed. Hope I answered your question. All right, let's see. More.
Wait, so
Solely
are you
Cash.
not
I know this
supposed to-
isn't something
okay,
you
maybe you're
directly deal with, but I've
Interesting.
kind of been chasing my tail with Kick support and trying to get my 1099. Is there any way I could get
It's
some
right in
help
Stripe.
from you to get that before April 15th?
It's in Stripe.
Right now, we've released all the 1099s.
Yeah, it's in Stripe. You literally
What
go to
we've
Stripe,
been
you
seeing
click
a
on
lot of hiccups
taxes, and then
on
if you
is
made
that
enough money,
if
it's
you
right
go
there.
to your
It literally,
Stripe account,
there you
and
go.
you go under tax forms.
right there.
You got to make sure that all of your information is filled out.
If you didn't make
Your
enough money,
address,
you don't get your 1099.
your Social Security, your
A lot
name.
of these,
the
a
whole
lot of
nine
these
yards.
questions
Some
are easily be available to everybody. You just gotta spend a
is
few
keeping
minutes to
people
look for that
from
stuff. That
getting
you-
their
like
tax
Kick
forms.
isn't holding on to
Once
your money.
that
Kick
is
has
filled
zero to
out,
do with your
it
money.
then triggers our system to
Everything
release
is done literally right
for
through
Stripe,
Stripe.
and it goes.
See?
and it goes through-
Jinx!
It goes back through Stripe.
It's state related too, right?
All right. Nordic Slots.
don't know
Hello,
how that
Santa Maria. We
works.
have been in contact with Kick support multiple times
No,
regarding
it's
getting
10
targeted by ViewBots. They remove them for 5 minutes and then they are back. Are you guys
I'm
working
not
on
too sure
anything
how
to
that
counter
works.
it? Yeah, every day we work on something to counter it.
Yeah.
We do have a lot of protections around this, but botters are constantly reinventing themselves. So is it perfect every time? No. If you're constantly getting botted, like on a regiment every day, you likely know the person who's botting you, because that ain't cheap to do.
Hey Drew, how's it
Just
going?
being very transparent. But yeah, it's
You're
good that you
unemployed as
report.
well. Welcome to the club,
We
right?
removed them. They're
Jesus.
back in 5 minutes.
I joined yesterday.
Nordic Slots. We have a lot of people who play foolish games out there and just bot the hell out of each other.
How you been though? Hopefully all's good.
Let's see.
Sorry, guy. I know we were supposed to do coding, but
trying to
I
find
actually
people who
want to listen to
haven't
this guy
asked
talk
the
because he
question.
actually answers questions
All right,
that.
Mythics. Hello, I hope you are well. I have a question.
We'll get to coding
Plan
right
any
after this.
features regarding the moderation pages or even on the dashboard in general? Yes. On the product side, that is coming out.
Wait, what did he say?
I can't say when, but I have seen proof of life that the moderation dashboard is
Oh,
going to
okay.
get more robust.
Cool.
All right, let's see. Cosmic Funk.
So you don't see
Who do we
Twitch doing
contact
this
if
shit.
we're interested
This
in
is what
Kick
all platforms
creator
should be doing. They
tournament
should be
events?
sending someone
I've
out
been
there to
cooking
be
a
the face of the
handful of
platform that
ideas
answer
and would
questions,
love
whether
to
it's
work with Kick
easy
to make it
questions
happen.
or hardball questions,
Cosmic.
you know?
Go to kickcommunity.com, go to the events tab.
Mm-hmm.
In that section, you will see a submit your own event.
Yeah,
That
so
goes directly to me.
You don't see any other stream
about
platform
6
doing.
other
Yeah,
employees here.
actually,
And we weigh it
Rumble
out. Now,
might
here's the deal.
do this. I think
If you have an event,
maybe. I
that
just
is
might haven't
simply
seen
asking
it.
us to pay
I know their
for
CEO
products
does join a lot of
so that you
creator
can give
live
them away,
streams. So yeah, Rumble does stuff like
we're
that.
not going to sponsor that event.
Oh,
However, if you have an event like a tournament that brings people to Kick, that promotes signups on Kick, and that promotes people streaming exclusively to Kick during your event, you will likely get funded.
oh, they do funding that way. Okay,
All right, let's see. Let's keep digging.
that makes sense.
All right, Miss Morarda, will Kick make a program like KCIP for small streamers?
I love that. He's like, we just fucking went over
But
this.
getting all other achievements double or more. Miss Morarda, I've not seen your streams. And I've gone back and forth about what a small streamer is.
I love that
do not
face.
feel
I'm
that
like,
100
fucking
CCV is
A. Here we go.
We do not feel that the 6 months of research that we did with phase 1, 2, and 3 and our beta testers, roughly 177 creators who say that 100 CCV is justifiable to get paid through KCIP is unreasonable. Does it require you to roll up your sleeves and grind? It does.
Fucking right, it does. I mean, same with YouTube. Look at
far as what a
YouTube. You just
small
don't
streamer
fucking
is,
show up to
Miss
YouTube and they're
Morarda,
like, so yeah, here's a partner
Gotta get that out
program.
of your head if you're going to do this on a high level.
Yeah. You just gotta
Now,
grind,
if you're a
dude.
hobbyist and you're just gaming with your friends or you're an amateur,
Yeah,
that's a
yeah,
different
yeah.
situation.
He'll
But
keep
if
getting
you're in
asked
this
that one.
game for a career and you're trying to establish your brand, there are no small streamers. There just aren't.
Yeah.
Because what you're going to do is you're going to compare yourself. If you have 10 CCV, let's say you have 10 CCV, you're going to compare to yourself to the guy who has 50. And that person's what, 5 times bigger than you? Is that person a giant streamer? No. And then that 50-person streamer is going to compare themselves to Lucci, who has 1,500 CCV. And then Lucci's
These
gonna
are
compare
good questions, though.
themselves to
I mean,
GM
it's good that
Hikaru, who
people
has
ask
5,000
these, though.
CCV.
You know, like, and it's good
And
that
then
he'll
GM
answer
Hikaru's
them
gonna compare
because he could have been
himself
like,
to
"Yeah, I've already
Ice
answered
Poseidon,
it. Moving
20,000
on." You know what I mean? So it's cool that he's able.
And then
He's
Ice
like,
Poseidon's
"No,
gonna compare
I
himself to
yeah."
XQC.
This
who
is
has
what I like about
50,000
Kick,
CCV.
guys. You know what I
Who's a
mean?
small
They should
streamer?
pin it. That's actually a good
They're not a small
idea.
streamer.
You know, it would be cool is
If you're doing
after
this
he's
at a high
done
level.
streaming, maybe like
All
they
right,
have
let's see,
staff
let's see.
watching the stream, like
All right, Gout Cloud,
they have these
Santa
questions
Maria,
and they
I
type
remember
up
you
like
said
a
you
rough
might pass
summary of
the
the answer,
message
and then
to
they just
move
put it
the
on like a
host button to
website.
I did.
Most frequently asked questions
did.
by creators. Here's the answer
that
to
is
these.
with our devs.
That's actually a good idea, right
that
on the
is with
community
product.
site.
But it is on their radar.
Yeah, so some things that
but I
people
did
bring
not
up, he
pass
will
that
write
on,
down like,
'cause it was an
"Hey,
amazing-
I got
It was an
shadow
amazing
banned
call.
or something." He'll write down their username
All
and then
right,
he'll
let's
look
keep
into
digging,
it.
Let's keep digging. Sprayed up. With TikTok on the decline algorithm-wise, what would be your advice to help bring the viewers to Kick?
What's this?
I don't know, Sprayed up. What's your advice? I don't mean to be that. I don't mean to be flippant with that or anything like that. But
It is recorded, yeah.
you have to look at these platforms like a directory.
Yeah.
And you have to look at yourself like a brand. All right. Even if you're like an actor, right? Like, you know, you want to act for Paramount Studios, you want to act for Netflix, you want to act for Columbia Pictures, you want to get in every movie that you can, because no matter what studio you act for, people are going to come see your movies.
Hopefully.
If you're doing this at a high level, you have to look at yourself that way. Doesn't matter if you're on YouTube, if you're on Kick, if you're on Facebook, or if you're on Twitch. You have to build your following.
Yep.
Now, what does that mean for us at Kick? We have to give you the best splits in the business. 95.5, KCIP.
Dude, that 95.5, you guys would not
Kick's the
believe
best
how
place
much that
for you to earn money
hits
for your
versus
TikTok,
fucking
for your
Twitch's
Instagram,
50%
for you
take.
to
Like
push
when you
traffic
see
over here. All right.
one sub on
yes, we run
Twitch and
ads
then
on
you look at
YouTube.
your one
Yes,
sub
we
on
run ads
Kick
on
and then
TikTok.
you compare the
But listen,
numbers, it's
platforms
like,
come and go,
holy
guys.
fuck, Twitch
They
is
come and
taking
go.
so
They
much.
come and go.
And the payout, like, okay,
I would have never
for
foreseen
instance,
the United States government trying to take down TikTok. Right?
I get paid, whether it's $1.
I would have never foreseen
Kick will always pay me at the end of the month. At the start of the month, I will always get a payment from them, no matter what. Twitch, on the other hand, forces you to get a certain level before they'll pay you out.
This is all happening within the
It's
last
crazy.
year and a half.
It's crazy. They're like, oh, you need to make a certain amount of money before you get your money. Well, why not just release it to me like everyone else does?
Mixer.
And Kick isn't the only one. Even fucking YouTube does it now. Or not YouTube,
It goes on and on.
Who is it?
So
X.
you gotta earn
LiveSpace. LiveSpace is another one.
hope I answered your
LiveSpace
question.
pays you
I'm not
out
being
like
too much
Kick
of an
does.
asshole
They use
for being flippant, but
Stripe
that's like a
Express.
God
You
honest
connect your
truth.
shit. Done.
But yes,
whether
Kick
you
is
make
doing
$1 or
its part
two,
as a
you get paid at the
director.
end of the month.
As a place where
It
we're
makes
going to give you
sense.
the best splits.
But
as
Twitch
a
is still
place
so
that
old
is going
fucking
to,
school in the way they're doing shit.
Try to level up the viewer experience.
The thing that
'cause we
Twitch
gotta do
over,
that.
the
All right,
one thing
in
that
the mud,
Twitch does have an
legend, good to
advantage
see you.
over. Sorry, no,
Afternoon,
hold on.
boss. Any chance of hitting a bullseye? Please do. Oh shit.
A bullseye. Oh, okay. I was like, what's he talking about?
All right. Darts. Boom. All right,
Damn. Oh,
15.
damn. So
Singles.
close.
Shit. Sorry, man. In the mud, I gotta catch a tournament, man. Gotta catch a tournament. All right, let's see. I can absolutely respect.
Hey, Bio, how you been, dude?
100%.
Doing well. I'm doing
Joker,
okay.
speaking volumes.
How you been, man?
All right, Nordic slots. Follow up. 100 CCV is obtainable with an exclamation point. All it takes is believing in yourself and don't give up. We are still growing, but can feel the grind paying out. We still work full-time 6 days a week. Nordic slots, yes,
Yeah.
but take time to produce. Take time to hone in.
See, this
So I
right
hope you're
here
doing that.
is where I fail. I only stream. This is why I haven't had any
All right,
growth.
Dominator Gaming.
Click and go live. That's great and
All right,
all,
let's see.
but it will never lead
Easy
to
B,
huge
what's
growth.
up?
It just won't.
see you in here.
I should
All right,
be
let's see. Someone
making
new
shorts,
questions.
TikToks,
New questions.
YouTube videos. That's how you
yeah,
funnel
Easy B,
people
got
into
my
your live
slippers on.
stream. Just going live, yeah. I mean,
music. Hey,
listen.
the
I'm proud of the
Blazers
growth I've made over on
Jay,
Twitch with just going
Pants,
live.
House
Like,
Flipper.
I'm extremely
Yeah, I
proud
gotta
of it. And even with what am I at now? 287 over on Kick. That's great. I'm on.
sorry.
I'm 72 over at
You know what I call
Rumble.
Breezy Beezy.
60, 70 over at LiveSpace, and I'm at 588 on YouTube,
Dr.
I think.
Goldstein, thank you for the
That's
follow.
great and all, but that's
Charming Imperial.
nothing
Charming
compared to what
Imperial,
it
thank
could
you
be
for
if I
follow.
actually made videos, if I
Zenny, thank
actually
you for
made
follow.
fucking shorts, if I
1K.
actually did that and funneled people into the
Kansas
streams.
and Decent G,
Unfortunately,
thank you
this
for
is
the
where
follow.
I've
Prince
failed
Ross, thank you for
big
the follow.
time, and
Prince
I'll
Ross,
admit
thank you
that,
for
and
the
I
follow.
realize that's where my weakness is.
Lyra, thank you for the follow. OG Streamer,
Unfortunately,
thank you for the follow.
it's-
Ichiru
yeah.
Fangs, thank you for the follow.
If you want to grow, yeah, exactly.
Joaquin,
I'm just
thank you for the
grinding
follow.
at work,
Prodigy,
making
thank
money
you
for
the follow.
DreamHack,
Random
and
Gamer
preparing
View,
for my
thank you
stuff
the
for
follow.
AP V2. Hell yeah.
All right. Let's see, more questions. Any talks in adding a timer to the host out instead of it being instant? Yes, Destro, I made the suggestion of 10 seconds. Someone brought that up the other day for 10 seconds. I ran that up to the devs immediately. So I am lobbying for a 10-second host out button. Let's see.
Wait,
All right, I'm going back on some of these
You're
questions.
preparing for
Going back on
V2
some of these questions.
do you have any? No, you're probably
All right,
not allowed to
Garland,
say.
not
Never mind.
saying,
It's all
my
good.
understanding
That's
of
awesome to hear, Bio.
Follow for follow. The active engagement is the difference.
I fucking hate the follow for follow.
as I
That someone came in last night and
understand,
tried
is
that
if you go
shit
into
too.
someone's stream and say,
It's
hey,
like,
if you follow me,
Yeah.
I will follow you, so your numbers go up. When
Mev
people
2
follow
came
me
in
and
last
ask
night
to
and
return a
followed me. I was
follow,
like, yeah,
tell them
give me a
no,
follow. It's like,
and it's
no.
one of the primary times I would
Why would I-
intentionally not follow someone. Yes.
I don't know anything about
I
your
see that
fucking
a lot.
channel. Why am I gonna follow you?
Follow for follow, and 9 times out of 10, you got to educate folks because they
Yeah.
genuinely are trying to grow. and
Sure.
they might not know this. Call them out. Just say, hey, don't get angry. Don't get mad. Just be like, hey, you're actually hurting yourself if you do that. Don't spend too much time on them. Just be like, we
Wait,
don't do
am I
that here,
following
guy.
you?
You're going to be a better streamer if you don't do that. So, yeah, but don't get cause feelings
Oh, no,
about
I'm
it.
not.
Just
There. Now I'm following you. For kick, unfortunately, can't say until it really.
Right.
No worry about it. Yeah, that's why I didn't
Not
ask.
exactly.
I was
I'm
gonna
having
ask, and I was like,
streamers chat
I
to
won't ask because
support
I understand you're
streaming.
probably under
Try
an
to go in
NDA for
every
that shit.
fucking chat. Is that still frowned upon? No, if you go into other people's chat, but if
Dude,
you
I
tab
can't
them
wait
up,
for them to release their official
you know,
API.
50
Oh, it's gonna be so
50
cool.
Tabs, you're harming them in the long run because we see that, right? Because then the unique
You heard
chatters,
nothing, right?
The chat
For
velocity
kick.
doesn't line up
Oh, yeah, I heard that.
with when they submit to KCIP. That's just.
But
Like
good to hear things are going good with you, Bio.
Pick off.
Are you going to
So if
DreamHack
you go into a
Dallas? I was
community
gonna go, but
that you know are actively tabbing each other up, or if you're in a Discord,
don't think that's
server,
gonna happen anymore,
it's
guys.
a tapping up
Unfortunately,
Discord.
yeah, I gotta save every
Let them
fucking
know.
penny.
It's just
Until-
not genuine.
Yeah. When is it? DreamHack's
All right,
at the end of
going
May.
back, all right, Mischief Action.
I really wanted to go, but
Speaking on staff responsiveness, I want to give kudos
Probably not
for
gonna
getting
happen
a game
right
category
now.
added for me while I was live last week. I was broadcasting a beta playground, and your guys got the title added within 2 minutes of the email being
Oh, you
sent
live
to
in
the
Dallas
W.
and it's around my birthday, so I might. Oh, dude, that's so
I'm telling you
awesome.
guys.
Dude, I was
Look,
so
I-
pumped to go,
the
but
other
then
platforms
yesterday
I've
getting
been
laid
on,
off kind of threw the wrench
that would
into the
take an
fucking
act of
gear, you know what I
Congress.
mean?
Not only would it take an act of Congress, we would go charge that IP massive amounts of money to create the category. So I'm really glad to hear that.
I totally missed what they were talking about.
All right, Cosmic Funk. Who do we contact?
Hey,
if we are
Jipster.
interested in pitching
Yeah, I
kit?
need to
Okay,
find.
already answered that.
I don't know if I have the
All right.
skill set to
Trauma
do
Gunner.
programming,
Hey, Andrew, I have
but
had a lot
yeah,
of people come
I've
into my
heard that
channel
being laid
that
off
donate
can
to me
cause financial
and give me
issues.
shout-outs.
It can.
They encourage you to tab up and
It really can.
unaware that this is
Especially
crime.
when a car
But it
payment
doesn't
comes
make
around, or your rent,
Now
or you
that
got to
I'm
buy some
aware of
food, and you
this,
realize,
I do not want
damn, there's no money
to
there.
be by Kick as this type of streamer. Trauma Gunner, just let your community know. Don't tab me up. Don't follow. Don't do those things. And people understand.
But yeah,
And I
a
think
dev
people
job
tab
would
each
be
other
pretty
up
cool,
for
but I don't think I'm really qualified because
but just let 'em know.
so
It
yesterday
it presents
Nick
an
oh god, I always butcher his last name. Here, I'm actually gonna pull up this fucking thing so I say his name
on our
correctly.
But
I hate when I
it
butcher his
might not
name.
be of bad intentions. Just let your community know that you're not doing it, and that you think that you politely pass. All right, let's see.
Rosella. Is it Rosella? Yeah, so the head of product over at Rumble, Rick Rosella, sent me a thing yesterday, and he's like, hey, here's our current job openings over at Rumble. And
Reflect our
I looked at them. I don't, and as awesome as it would be to apply, I don't think I have the skill set to actually fulfill the roles.
But Kick support will know. I promise.
Unfortunately.
Hit the
So yeah, like right now they need a front-end developer and they need a PHP back-end developer. I just don't have the, I don't think I have the skill set for it yet.
Don't have the Circle K yet.
Unfortunately.
Email support@kick.com. They will walk you through that. I promise you. All right, Pike 2C. Whoever asked about the emotes with a username change, reach out to Kick support. All right, yeah, thank you. I have a Circle K. Click on it.
I'm not sure how it works for you these days and months, but you could stay with me possibly if things improve by
Is there a
then message me on
possibility that I can
Discord
have a
off the
three-letter
record.
name like XQC? I want to be able to be the first Lex.
What if you went through a code camp?
All right, so Lex.
Code camp.
Oh.
Oh, for DreamHack Dallas. Oh, I appreciate. Oh, okay, Bio. I appreciate that, dude. I'll again, we'll see, man. I appreciate that offer, but the travel, the ticket, like that's great, but like every dollar is gonna count to, you know what I mean? And you know, maybe I don't make Dallas, I can still always make Atlanta. You know what I mean? But thank you, I appreciate the offer. We'll see how things go. We still have the rest of this month, we still got all of April and most of May before we really have to like worry about DreamHack. So we got time, which is good. But yeah, thank you. I do appreciate that offer, Bio.
Black market behavior. But look, Lex, if you have handles, if you have a Facebook handle, if you have a Twitter handle, if you have Instagram handle with Lex, send that to Kick Support, tell them, cut and paste all the handles you have with Lex. Odds are they will give you Lex because they know that you are trading under
Okay,
that
cool,
name.
cool. For
can't
free,
be like
and yeah, I don't
Lex
live next to the convention
Facebook.
center,
Can't
so
be
it's just
like
an offer
Lex
in the back. I
Gaming.
appreciate
It's
it,
gotta be
man. I
Lex.
appreciate it.
All right, let's see. Can we get a schedule or calendar tab for your channel's homepage so that we can advertise what times we will stream?
Yeah, just create a panel with your fucking schedule. I don't think we need a whole fucking calendar created.
Homepage. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it'd be cool, but like for now, just put it in a
If you're
panel.
asking
I
for,
go
like,
live
a
every day at 8
calendar
o'clock.
tab, like,
Not me personally. I know
post
I
it
can
on
never
your
have a
About
schedule.
page. Post when you stream.
There we go. See.
Now,
Yeah,
we
you'll
need
never see a
something
calendar
more
on my
robust,
page.
I think, to have a calendar that you schedule in and it sends out noties. I think that would be really good. But look, man, like, don't wait for a calendar page to get your schedule out there.
Yeah, just put it right
Please
on a
don't. I hope
tab.
you're not. I hope you're not waiting on that.
Just put it in a tab.
Just go ahead and do it.
There you go.
Let's see.
And build the website. Put a calendar on there.
If we change, okay.
Rumble HQ
What are
is
the other
outside
questions? I
of
see that
Tampa,
Kick has
Florida.
planned
Nice
a
area, not
hashtag
bad place to
system.
live or work.
Has this
Dude,
functionality already been
for
mentioned
real.
or even started to be tested?
working for Rumble would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I would want to. I
It's
really
on the
would love
radar.
to work on their
That's what I
live
can
team.
say.
I would
When is it
love to
coming
work on
out?
their live streaming
Don't know, but I
team.
can
Honestly,
confirm
like if
that
I could
it's-
work
that
anywhere
it's,
at Rumble on a team, it would definitely be their live
It's in our
streaming.
wheelhouse.
I would love
sure.
that so much.
All right. Is it Z feisty? I hope so. You've probably been asked this 1 million times, but are we getting a viewer list? I am a fan of viewer lists. Any meeting that I'm in, I'm saying viewer
I heard
list
there's
is a
a
good idea.
McDonald's just
I am
down the
not
road
head
from
of
you.
product.
There is actually. There is.
I do talk to the head of product. I think it's a good idea.
Archie, how's it going, dude?
From both the safety standpoint,
I seek the player.
from
Hey, that
authenticity
works too.
standpoint.
If I have to
I think it goes a
rebrand, I'll
long
do
way.
PLAH. How you
So
been,
I
dude?
want there to be one, but whether or not that's going to happen, I don't know.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
We're getting seen at least 20 KCIP people with 100+ viewers, with about 3 active chatters, which is kind of suspect.
Yeah, they're viewed.
Or do the KCI people get boosted views? The KCI people do not get boosted views.
Right.
That would be counterproductive for the system of KCIP. We pay along the metrics of views. We do not do that. No. As far as like people who are boosting their own views, we're well aware of they're doing it.
They'll
We
find
have
out.
conversations with them. There is a strike system, and we just lightly remove them from KCIP if it becomes an issue. But I can promise you we are on top of that in investments. All right, let's see. Sinister, welcome in. Thank you for coming by.
God, I feel
Herbal
so
Salad.
weird streaming during the
Thank
day.
you for the follow. Outcast Live, thank you for the follow. Jareth Goblin King, thank you for the follow. Intoxicated DJ, thank you for the follow. Lock and Loaded, thank you for the follow. Amethyst May, thank you for the follow. If you guys are new to my stream, my name is Andrew Santa Maria. I work here at Kick. I was formerly the head of strategic partnerships. I am the streaming experience lead.
There we go. That's what his role is.
I just got done helping Eddie launch KCIP. I'm doing a lot more streams, getting in here, finding out the responses with KCIP, the responses to Kick in general. Also trying to do more active streams so that I see what you guys are grinding towards. Right now, what I'm really working on is my 30 hours over 12 days or 30 days or whatever the metric is.
You got this. If I can do it, you got
That seems to
this.
be the one metric that I have a tough time with because I work during the day. But I'm trying to get in here and grind as much as I can.
You just gotta do some league streams after work, man.
Really
You'd be
loving
good.
all this info. Much appreciated. Awesome. I'm glad that you guys are coming away with something in this.
Oh yeah, these are great
I know a
streams.
lot of
I'm
people
glad.
might
I'm
watch
glad
my
Kick's
streams
doing
and,
them.
and hear the same
Like,
thing over and over.
you know?
Echoes Nation, what's up? Good to see you, sir. Echoes, I hope you don't mind me talking about this, but you've been very open on socials that you've been having some tumors or what have you in your chest. Again, I don't want to misspeak or anything like that, but from what I've been seeing, things have been going well for you. I am so happy to see you in here. Echoes Nation is an amazing musician, amazing voice,
I think I've heard
amazing
of him.
writer. I got to know him more during Uprise, which is a music show. He's got very positive vibes, but I've been seeing on socials that he's been, visiting the doctor a little too much.
So you never
it's an absolute honor to
have you heard of
here,
any
Echoes,
employee at
and
Twitch
thank you for swinging by.
doing stuff
I
like
hope
that? Like,
everything's
hey, I
smooth
follow you on
sailing for man.
social side here. You never see that, man.
We'll definitely tune
this
in
is
more
what
to find
really
out
this
more
is
about
what
the growth of
platforms
this
need to do. Is they need to have
platform. Thank
staff
you,
that
Andrew. No
actually
problem,
looks at their
Lexi Pie.
creators and
Good
goes,
to
oh
see
shit,
you.
I'm following their life.
Swerve.
Obviously, they
thank you
can't
for the
follow
follow.
everyone. There's too many.
The one Mad Dog.
But it's
thank
cool
you for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, guys. I got about 10 more minutes.
Oh
Keep
shit,
the
we actually
questions,
watched almost all of this. My
coming.
bad, guys. I said,
All right,
yeah,
Echoes
we'll just
Nation,
watch a
still
little bit,
not
and
out of
then
the woods.
then I got kind of,
I have a nodule.
a lot of the
that is in
questions
my
were good,
lung
so I was like,
that
shit.
needs to be looked at. In the process of big move currently, but I really appreciate you, man. Look, Echoes. As an old man, just roll the punches, man. You're gonna look back at this time, and continue to learn from it. I am highly hopeful that it's absolutely nothing. Sending you all the good vibes, and I know you're gonna be around for a long, long time, sir.
Hell yeah.
So I just have it feeling in my bones. All right, let's see what else. Jareth Goblin King, is there any sub emote chatter on setting it up in a different fashion? Currently, it is a scroll bar with a tiny profile icons. Anything to set it up that the scroll bar with streamers that we prefer the emotes of on it, or the search box ability to pull from all the emotes you have access to. This is a great idea that I'm screenshotting, and I'm going to get this up to the developers.
Hey Josh, how's it going? So this
Right
is
after
Andrew.
the
I cannot pronounce his last name. His name's Andrew. He is basically the head of creator experience. So he's the one that's involved with creators, and then so he's the middleman between creators
good
and
comment,
management. So when creators have an issue with
Kaz
something,
Tech,
or they
hope this gets
request
better. My
something,
grandma
or
fought
they
constant
have
cancer.
ideas or anything like that,
Okay,
he
all
then
right,
brings it
see
back. Yeah,
that.
for kick. Yeah.
Easy, sending all the hugs. Good. Yes, all the love to Echoes, guys.
How you doing today, Josh?
Anyone that's lurking, that's having a tough fucking day, all the love to you guys.
Oh, thanks, man. I'm having a real
Chaos
fucking
Tattoo,
tough
another
day
legend in
yesterday
here
and
who's
today.
been on the platform for a while.
I appreciate it, Andrew. Here's an
personally would
ooh
love to
for
see
you.
The emote slightly bigger. Yeah, me too. The thing is like, I think you're sacrificing chat velocity for real estate, right? In my opinion. I think people want to get more chats in there, but I do hear you on the emotes.
Day going well. Just
Someone had
good.
massive
Nice.
emotes. They spelled out my last name, Santa Maria. They were massive.
Good to hear, Josh.
But those were
Do you work remote? I can't remember.
massive emotes. So I know we got them. Tori, what's up? Good to see you. Another legend.
Okay,
here.
nice,
Queen
nice, good
BMP,
stuff.
thank you for the follow. Let's see.
Do you guys got any questions?
William
I can
Rodriguez,
ask.
1997. I can't wait to be verified here on Kick.
But why do you need to
luck
be
with it.
verified? Yeah, it's cool having the check mark, but just
Give us
stream.
an option
Do
to
what you
block
love doing.
outside emotes.
Yeah, the
Good
check
call
mark's
out.
cool. Don't get me wrong. We all like to have one next to our name, but
Block
you're you.
outside emotes.
You don't need it. Just keep doing your grind away.
All right.
You don't need the emote.
TazTech, I wish my notaries worked on the Android app. Someday it will just start working again like it used to. Yeah, as we keep developing and getting version 2 and the API out,
That
things
API
get-
is gonna be so cool, dude. Streamlabs,
screwed up
Stream Elements,
from day to day.
Everybody.
but we immediately patch it. Taz, the tech, we are in a Discord server with about 177 Kick partners, whether they were beta testers or phase 1 through 3. They let us know the minute that something is wrong with the site. So please have trust in them.
Rebrand as a fitness streamer.
They are our canary in the
I
coal
love
mine.
fitness, but I don't want that to be my primary.
Thanks for the KCI Scuffed. Thanks for the
hold on.
KCIP stuff. You guys are changing.
What I like is I kind of like the
Scuffed.
I kind of like just being variety, where I have all these interesting gaming, tech, fitness, music. I like it, you know. I could never. I don't think I could ever do like one primary thing. I just like bouncing all around. You know what I mean? Hey.
Subscription received.
Aw, dude, Bio, thank you so much for the gifted subs. I appreciate it, dude. Thank you.
Doing good things for
That's very kind of you. Thank you for the subscription.
Here's another thing I
Oh,
want to
sorry, not the
talk about.
gifted. My bad. I read that wrong. Thank you for the resub. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, Bio. And take it easy, dude. Thanks for stopping in, dude. And like I said, if I can make it out to Dallas, it'll be awesome. I'll let you know. But thank you so much for that resub. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
And you go from 20, 30, 40, 50, 200, 300, 1,000 CCV.
You guys, awesome.
Don't be afraid to, after you have grown your channel, to chime back in with us and just say, hey, how can I elevate my KCIP a little bit more? You know, I feel that I've grown massively as a streamer.
Oh, man. I sit so uncomfortably in
chairs. How do I continue to get a sweeter deal? I'm only saying that
negotiate.
Because this is a business. And if you put up insane numbers, you know, if you come into KCIP with 100 CCV and you end up earning 2,200 CCV, you know, within 8 months because you found your secret sauce. Don't be scared along the journey to ask for a little more, and just plead your case, you know, in a respectful manner. Tory Productions. How difficult would it be to get a charity esports org a deal? They are looking to start full-time streaming their charity competition here on Kick and have a few lands for COD and other online comps coming in the future, and are looking for further information on possibly Kick sponsorship.
Whoops.
First of all, Tori, I think me and you are in Discord.
Wolfillin, how's it going, man?
Feel free to loop us on Discord. The fastest
Oh, is that who that is?
Is to go to
I was wondering who that was. I don't know.
kickcommunity.com. There's this submit events tab.
I was wondering what that
Have them fill that out.
was back there.
That goes directly to me. And it goes directly to about 6 other staff members. And we will immediately review it.
So one thing that was really cool is I actually submitted an event idea for a Halloween thing for Kick, and I never got a response back, but I came into stream and was like, oh, hey, do you guys do production assistance and stuff like that? And he goes, no, we don't do that. So I said, oh, okay, that explains why I didn't get an answer back.
Outcast Live.
He goes, if you come up with an idea, we'll promote it and whatnot, but we don't fund the production or anything like that. So they will not put money towards equipment. They'll put money towards like giveaways and stuff like that. Like if I had an idea for say like a tournament or something, or if I wanted to do like the best website build or something like that, like you guys could get giveaway money or you guys could get prize money. They'll fund that and they'll promote it, but they won't pay for any production stuff. So like if I wanted to do, say if we wanted to do like
you have to start talking. You have to start talking about it with other creators.
What's it called? A hackathon or something like that. They would put up the money for the prize money.
Right? We're
potentially
getting out version 2. We're getting out the API. We just launched KCIP. To be blunt, health and wellness on our end is not the main focus. Trust and safety is one of the top 5, which influences health and wellness. But if you see a need in the Kick public, go out there and fill it. Go out there and do it. I promise you, as someone who's been in this game for a long time, it is very important. We do have a relationship with Healthy Gamer. We do have a relationship with Trainwreck's organization. And we do implement screening procedures with our moderators that flag streamers that are having a tough time. So I hope that answers your question. We have a lot to do in that sector, but I encourage you to get out there and start filling that need. All right, let's see. Corsi. All right, got 3 more minutes, guys. I'd love to see a favorites bar of streamers so you can select your favorite people. Currently, it's just sorts of highest viewers. Not sure if it has been suggested. Yes, it has been. It has been suggested, and there's going to be a cleaner system for discoverability. Yes. Austin Curtis Peterson. Why do we let kick users like Bossman Jack, Suicide Bait, and scam their viewers, and overall a bad brand image allowed to
See, this is a
stream here?
hardball question
We
right
provide
here.
ample proof to kick support and staff. Nothing has been done yet. Keep reporting. I'm aware of this
Okay,
streamer.
I mean, I don't know if that was
that's
a
all I
good
can say.
answer, but I mean, at least
He is on our radar.
At least he brought up the question.
I think we've taken action multiple times.
Okay.
But keep reporting, please. All right, guys. I'm coming to the end. Gonna find someone to host out. But again, please keep the questions coming. And listen, I want to double down on Bossman Jack. I'm not skirting your question. He's on the radar. Promise you.
Okay.
But all right, we're gonna find someone to host.
All right, guys. Anyways,
That way I can.
thank y'all for being
start
patient while
jumping
we
into my
watch
meetings
this.
for the day.
I just kind of
I'm
wanted
gonna
to.
start doing this more, guys.
I like when
I gotta
Andrew
earn my
does
hours.
these. These are like
I got
really
a couple more days
good.
before this month is up, and trying to get that verification. But let's see,
Oh, he definitely got the numbers for it.
guys. Thank you for everything.
All right.
If you're out in Baltimore,
Yeah,
I
that
hope
was
you
crazy.
get out of your head. Hope everyone's good.
It could
I
be
hope you
better.
don't know anyone that was on the bridge.
Yeah, that was
Best
wild.
of love to them, doing their thing.
It's crazy.
If you guys have any suggestions for who to host, please drop them. I got 12 a.m. Hunt out there. I got Lordsy out there. Lordsy does a lot of snow skiing streams. I got Nat Chats out of South
How the hell does
Africa.
that work? I guess
I got
IRL
Kish
backpack.
Gaming out of England.
I guess
got
IRL
No Judge
backpack.
Jenna.
Yeah.
Let me see. I got 2 grown men. They do amazing fighters. Amaze live?
I don't think so. I think he works during the day.
Let's see.
Do you say Amaze or Umaze? Because I think Umaze works during the day.
I don't see Amaze live right now.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
He's not popping up. Oh, there he is. 71. Yeah, let's do a maze. We're going to a maze, guys. I'm going to wait 10 seconds. That way the entire host goes through. Please tell them hey. Please tell them we love them. I love y'all. Echoes Nation, best of luck to you. You're in our thoughts. And we're going to do this again, guys.
Damn, that was a quick update.
Love y'all.
See, I love
Have a good one.
This. All right, we'll bounce off that. Thank y'all for your patience. I appreciate it. But yeah, like I said, I kind of wanted to just like see what he was gonna talk about. So that's pretty good. Jones Mail. What services? Manage additional services to your local development environment. There we go. Again, Bio, yeah, I know you're gone, but thank you again for that gifted or for the subscription. I appreciate it over on Kick. Y'all awesome. Leps, dude. Seriously, dude. You freaking gifted sub rock star, man. Thank you so much for that yesterday. I appreciate it, man. Like, y'all rock. And for the people that sub over on Twitch as well, guys. I really do appreciate it. Choo choo. Yeah. All right, cool. So we got that updated. I think all our software is up to date. Fucking Paw, dude. I keep forgetting I have this installed on my computer. Yeah, if you guys don't know what Paw is, it's an API software. It's kind of like what is it called? Nitro or I can't remember. What's it called again? Yeah, it's now rapid API free. Figures. Check for updates. Dude, I swear this thing never. Dude, I don't even know what this is. All right, well we can close out of that. GitHub, yeah, I probably definitely need to update GitHub desktop. This thing definitely needs an update. Install command line tool. Okay, GitHub about. Quit and install update. That was easy. See how dude, I love GitHub desktop. So easy to use. All right, that's done. We can quit out of this. We can quit out of this. Oh, so many things to update. I even need to update this too. I forgot to do that yesterday. Might as well just get all this stuff updated now and out of the way. Which one's my primary display? It keeps popping up on the wrong display. It should be the Elgato. Yeah, it is the primary, so... okay, well. Weird. Dude, DaVinci Resolve is a really good editing program. It's got a little bit of a learning curve to it, don't get me wrong, but yeah. Alright guys, give me a minute, I'll be right back, and then, yeah, we'll jump in some coding, finally, right? We've only been live for, an hour and a half, and, you know, haven't wrote one line of code yet, but, you know, that's about the norm. So, alright guys, I'll be right back, and then we'll jump into it. So, I just gotta figure out what we're gonna make.
Fallen one too many times. Feeling like it never ends. Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind. Looking for a better place, not to stay alone. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save this, so don't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line. Funny how the tables turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned. A slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save this, so don't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line.
Alright, I'm back. Have you ever tried to make a to-do app? All the time. I've made more to-do list apps than I can even count, dude. Okay, so let me give me a second. All right, so this was sent to me yesterday. So Rick Ricella sent me this yesterday because I said I like pinged out to Rumble and said, hey, you guys hiring? So they have two positions here. They have a front end developer position, and then they have the PHP backend. I looked through these requirements. I just don't think I would. I've done a little bit of Vue.js, but there's a lot of stuff on here I haven't really messed with the API stuff. I don't feel confident I would have the skill set for this. They do have this one, the PHP backend developer. some stuff that I was a little worried about is I haven't done a ton with Nginx. I've done a little bit. I've never worked with Redis or Memcached. Jeez, I can't even pronounce it, let alone work with it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I looked over the requirements on this stuff. I don't know. I don't think I would be ready to apply just yet. Memcached sounds better, right? It does. Yeah, Memcached. Have you worked with the Memcached yet? But, hold on. But yeah, like I said, hold on. Oh, gee. Damn, that's crazy. But, yeah, so I don't know. I mean, I just don't know if I'm ready for something like this yet. I just said I don't want to waste their time with applying, and then they're like, oh, here's the coding thing, do it. And I'm like, yeah. About that. So, but, so yeah, I guess the point is, like, you know, if we're going to do the coding thing, we really need to figure out what direction are we going in? Because we need to make a decision. We can't keep bouncing around. Like, I mean, look at this. Astro, JavaScript, Next, Python, Vue, React, Node. We got to make a choice here because we can't keep going. Because the problem is if I'm not focused on one language and I keep bouncing around to all these other languages, that's a problem. Because I'm not learning anything. I'm learning just enough. And then whoosh, we're moving on to another language. And then it's like, great, but you didn't master any of that language. You know what I mean? So that's becoming a problem. So we need to figure it out, like, now. Like, where are we going? What are we... So, yeah, I think PHP would be better, possibly. What the fuck is this dot doing here? Is that a part of my Mac? Hold on. Or is that VS Code? You guys see that dot? What the hell is that dot for? Hold on. Mac orange dot. An orange dot next to the control center indicates the microphone on your Mac is in use. Really? For what? Is it, oh, it might be Discord. It's probably Discord, yeah. Hopefully. Because that thing's on like all the time. Great! Alrighty then. But yeah, like I was saying, so we gotta figure it out. Yeah, I don't know, because PHP would make sense, but what's the job market for PHP developer? You know what I mean? React's more modern. But the problem with React is you need to be really good at JavaScript, and on top of that, yeah, PHP is the back-end language, so Node, I guess you would have to choose between PHP, or do you want to do something with Node, or well, I guess it really comes down, do you want to work with JavaScript, or do you want to work with, you know, PHP? But then again, you can still use React and stuff like that on top of PHP. We've done it before, so I mean, I don't know, guys. It's just T. How's it going? Sorry, just saw your chat. How's it going? Welcome in. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I'm doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. I think it just... I don't know. We just gotta figure it out, though, guys. Like, we need to make a choice here, you know? So, we can figure it out real fast. But I can't keep bouncing around, guys. I gotta make a decision. Where we, you know... And even if we decide to go with, like, front or JavaScript, we need to figure out we're going with Vue, we're going with React, we're going with Astro, we're going with Svelte, whatever it's called. Svelte. There we go. Hello from Linux Mint. Fuck yeah, dude. I love Linux Mint, dude. Linux Mint's the shit, dude. It's one of my favorite distros in for Linux. I love Linux Mint, especially Cinnamon. Dude, that desktop environment is so nice. If you guys have not seen it, Linux Mint. Linux Mint's a really good distro. Yeah, if you guys ever want to get into, damn, they're at 21.3. I remember the first time I learned about them was like version 15 or something like that. Oh, it's what you use too, Johnny? Nice. Yeah, Linux Mint's the shit. It's really nice. It's got the Ubuntu's whatchamacallit, they have other versions. What is this? What is LLD's Linux Mint project? That stands for Linux Linux Mint. Oh, Debian. Okay, gotcha. So it's built on Debian, not Ubuntu. Interesting. Yeah, but like Linux Mint's really nice. They got a ton of desktop environments that you can choose from as well. So just pick whatever and build something. There's no one right choice, and the stat choice doesn't really matter too much. It's true. That is true. But yeah. Like I said, if you guys are interested in choosing something with Linux, I would definitely suggest Linux Mint. It's a really good it's definitely a really good distro. Yeah, so they have Cinnamon, which is their primary. They have the Mate edition, which is actually pretty cool. Mate is actually really nice. They have if you have a slower computer, you can get the XFCE support for the most modern hardware. Cinnamon Edition Edge is also available for Cinnamon Edition. This image ships with the newer kernel to be able to support the latest hardware chipsets if you cannot boot in regular. Huh, okay. It's pretty cool. But, yeah. Real Linux neckbeards only run Arch. I mean, yeah, that's true. It's true. Didn't we try to do art? Dude, that takes some time. I think I looked at the installation for this once, and it was just like, prepare, it's going to be a while. Like, yeah,
New follower.
Hey, Suzanne Treasure, thank you so much for the follow over on Kick. Appreciate it. Like, yeah, the installation's something else. But, like, yeah, guys, if you're hardcore into fucking Linux, like, Arc. Like, dude, yeah, you have full control over your build. Like, when you do the installation, you load into a terminal screen, that is it. The rest is up to you. You have to install your UI, your file systems, everything. Now, if you're a bit of an Arc fan, you can always do, what is it, Manjaro or Magento? I can't remember. Manjaro Linux, right? Manjaro Linux. Yep, Manjaro. Yeah, if you like Arc Linux, but you don't want to build your shit, you can just use Manjaro. Manjaro, right out of the box will work. You get all the benefits of Arc, and then you can just build on top of this. But I think they use Plasma. I love Plasma Desktop. Plasma Desktop's one of my favorite UIs for Linux. It's just so nice. It's very modern, and it's got a lot of the effects and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, but if you just want to use Linux out of the box, Linux Mint's a really good one. I'm not a big fan of Ubuntu's GNOME 3 or whatever it's called. Anything more configured, I'd probably just go with Ubuntu. Exactly, yeah, well supported and tons of people using it, so you can find... Exactly, I agree with you. I think if you're just getting started with Linux, go with Linux Mint. Or even Ubuntu. I mean, either of the two are really good. If you're a Windows user and you're just like dead set on, hey, another one is, what is it? I just said it the other day. It's called Linux. Oh shit, what is it? It is Zorro Linux. Zorin. There we go. I don't know where the fuck Zoro came from. This is another option for people as well. Again, this one, they charge you. Wait, did you? Oh, I saw Virginia, so I don't know. Josh. Yeah, Zorin is another option. Now, this is a paid Linux. You get mostly the features you're getting are different UIs, and you get software that you can get yourself, but it's pretty much packaged out of the box. So for $50, you're pretty much getting tools that you can get for yourself, but they already include it in the installation. Zorin's pretty cool looking. It's mostly for people that really like to tweak their UI, because like I said, you can pretty much have a Windows look, which is really cool. So they have built their own stuff. That's an option. But like I said, if you're just new to Linux, I would say Linux Mint is the way to go. Like, another option is Pop! OS by System 76. Pop! OS is really nice as well. System 76 builds hardware as well. So not only do they build the hardware, but software, they also have really good support for NVIDIA graphic cards. So I'm not a big fan of the UI out of the box, but you can always install Plasma or Cinnamon desktop. You can install whatever you want on Linux. That's the beauty of it. Like, you're not limited to just, you know what I mean? Like, at that point, I just use Windows. Listen, I'm a fan of Windows. That will always be my primary. For coding and stuff like that, I love my Mac. Linux is just cool if you kind of want to boot in and have some fun. You know what I mean? Like, I love, every once in a while, it's fun to install a VM, Linux VM, and just have some fun, see what you can learn, mess around in the terminal, get creative, and then break your system, and then go, well, thank God that's not my primary. So, finally gave Windows the boot and installed it on my SSD. So, what, just out of curiosity, what gave you the, or what caused you to kindly say, fuck no, I'm done with Windows. I'm fully going to Linux. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I'm just kind of curious, Tree. Or T. I don't know, I keep calling you Tree. My bad. Just curious. But Deflux, how you been, dude? God, I haven't seen you in forever, dude. Hey, bud, see player make that money. You getting paid? Not anymore. I was getting paid. How you been, dude? I haven't seen you in forever. Let's change that, right? I just gotta get me a good job. You're doing good. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. Glad to hear that. Yeah, I haven't seen you in forever. Are you still streaming? You know, I'm in a .NET chill. Yeah. Dude, .NET's so good too. Oh, you don't? I will one day. Okay. You'll get there. Yeah, .NET's so powerful, guys. Like, damn, dude. The things you can do with .NET. You can build video games. You can build websites. You can build mobile apps. You can fucking build anything you can pretty much think of. .NET covers. .NET's like a all-in-one kind of thing, you know what I mean? Doing some machine learning AI stuff right now with .NET. Fuck, dude, .NET's so powerful, dude. It's crazy what you can do with .NET, man. Like, that shit, dude. It's, you know what I mean? Semantic kernel, shit's crazy. A dumb driver update caused the OS to perm fix itself to 100% disk usage for no reason. On Windows? That's weird. Semantic kernel. Are you on Kick or Twitch? No, you're on Twitch talking to me. This right here? Let's see. Semantic kernel is an open source SDK that lets you easily build agents that can call your existing code as a highly extendable SDK. You can use semantic kernel with models of OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, Hugging Face, never heard of that, and more by combining your existing C#, Python, and Java code to these models. You can build agents that answer questions and automate processes. Oh, that's pretty cool. It demonstrated Windows power of compiler system. Really? It's pretty neat. Public class, like public pool. Dude, that's awesome, man. So what kind of AI stuff are you working on? Sorry. I'm definitely gonna need a nap before I gotta go teach tonight. Doing some ER. Autofill stuff. Okay. Nice. Dude, AI is crazy what you can do with AI now. It's gonna get so advanced. Wait until OpenAI releases that video tools out to people. That's gonna change the game. It's so crazy. So we look at like the previous 1,000 answers to a doc in the UI, and then we try to predict what the user is gonna type based upon what they put in first. Shit, dude, that's pretty cool. So you know the user better than the user knows themselves. It's like, well, you know, we based on what you've told us, we can kind of predict what you're gonna be asking, and that's crazy, dude. Yeah, AI algorithms, dude. Fuck, that's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, sorry to hear that, just T. That sucks that you had an issue with Windows. Damn, that's crazy. Wait, did you mean... Did the update cause Windows to do that, or do you mean Linux to do that? A dumb driver update caused the OS to permafix itself to 100% disk usage for no reason. Do you mean for Windows? That seems weird. Huh. Now, Deflux, do you work for a company that does that, or do you do that yourself? Is that your own project? Forget how much you into .NET stuffs or would be up to. Here's a cool app. Yeah, I work for a company. Oh, okay, cool. Tags app. Frit. Dude. Let's see. Testing the NFL kickoff. Dude, I don't know enough about .NET stuff, dude. I just don't know it. Yeah, the app you can sign into different places you're streaming to, and it will aggregate chat into a page. Oh, really? That's cool. New website tool that teaches media hashtags. Damn, it's crazy. Keyboard navigation, Blue Sky. Currently supported. Oh, these are socials. Okay, I was like, what the hell is Blue Sky? And then yeah, it's that website that I never use. Dude, does anyone actually use Blue Sky here? I mean, honestly, I have an account. I've logged in maybe twice in my entire life. I forgot about it. I'm not gonna lie. I never use it. I don't really like it. Like the search features on it are kind of suck. Never heard of Blue Sky. It's Jack What's his name? Wait, is that the YouTuber I'm thinking of? No, that's Jack Dorothy. Do they both have the same name? Yeah, who was the previous Twitter owner before Elon? It was Jack. What was his name? Jack something, right? Who owned Twitter? Shit. Jack something. Twitter founder. Jack Dorsey. There we go. Yeah, so Jack Dorsey owns Blue Sky, which was supposed to be a competitor to Twitter when he left. But Blue Sky, it's okay, but I don't really care for it. It's okay, but I don't know. It's still in development, you know what I mean? But it's invite only right now too. So like, unless you have a friend code to give to somebody, they're not using it. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I've logged in. Like, hold on, I have the app somewhere on my phone. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's see. So that's Blue Sky right there. You know what I mean? Like, I guess, well, they do have a Discover tab. I don't even know who these people are. I guess just other developers, I guess. So yeah, never a better time to get into .NET if you... I mean... .NET, right? I don't know enough about the .NET or infrastructure. I mean, you're probably right, because .NET can pretty much do everything. It's crazy what you can do with .NET. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't even know where to get started. Can you even do stuff? You can do .NET on Mac now, right? I think. Yeah, because with the new .NET 3.0 or whatever it's called, or 3 point whatever. Yeah, they made it universal. So you can do... Yeah. So you can do like Mac, Linux, even Linux. Like you can write .NET on Linux now, can't you? Yeah. Can you still use VS Code, or do you have to use that Visual Studio fucking software? I hate that. I don't know. I do not like that software. I just like VS Code. VS Code's nice. You know what I mean? Works. Okay, cool. I don't even know if I still have that installed on here. I use VS Code most of the time. Yeah, I was gonna say. Applications. Okay, that's not what I typed, but that's cool. Or I could just click here on the Finder. Hold on. Sort by name. Let's see. Oh no, I still need that app. I have OneDrive installed. Oh yeah, well, you know what? I can get rid of those. Yeah, I can get rid of that software since I don't need it anymore. I don't need this anymore. Get rid of that. Oh, I forgot I had that. I can get rid of that too. DaVinci Resolve. Get rid of that too. Actually, give me a second, guys. Gotta... Continue. Sure, I read all of it. You can do Godot C#. Yeah, definitely. I passed it? Oh, was it there? Was it? No. I see that. I was looking for, I thought it was C#. They have software that you install on Mac. It's like, you know what I'm talking about? Like it has all the net. You know what I'm talking about, right? Now it's just VS Code. I thought it was... let's see. They used to have Visual Studio for Mac. Really? I did not know that. Did they really? That's crazy. Yeah, because I used to go to downloads and then there was... Yeah, right here, .NET. Apple Silicon. So you still need to download the .NET stuff, right? Yeah, but before I remember there was like this software that they installed on your computer and it had like the little window and it would install like all the .NET stuff on there, and then it had Visual Studio and then it had like all the stuff. You know what I'm talking about? That little, I can't remember what it was called. And then they had some other software that came along with it as well. No, it wasn't VMware. It was, can't remember. Drawing a blank. I only did development on Mac after .NET Core. All right, there we go. Okay, so I had the .NET runtime on there now. Am I a web designer? No. I can do some code. I can do some web. Sure. Yeah, I guess I'm I'm web designer-ish. Yeah. I don't even know what extensions installed on here. God, I have so much shit on here. I probably need to go through here and clean up these extensions. Cloak, spell checker, Codium, .env. See, I don't even know if this is like useful to have ES7, if that's even like the current. You know what I mean? Live server, live share. Yep, that's good to have. See, like I have all these. I can actually get rid of these. Uninstall. Rust analyzer. Oh god, yeah, we can uninstall that too. All right, cool, and then reload window. There we go. I still remember how to use this. So there's this right here, the .NET installation tool. This extension was probably included as a dependency in one of the following extensions through the list. It's not exclusive. The above extension calls the extension. Then there's the extension pack. See, then they have the normal C# one, which is right. See what I mean? There's too many options. You probably just want the ones that are officially by Microsoft. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like... Oh, I don't need that one. Sheep. Yeah, you just need to see. It will handle it all. Oh, will it? What was it called? C# dev kit. Official. Ah, okay. Gotcha. I mean... Okay. That makes sense. Oh yeah, you're right. So they don't have the software anymore. Run the install, verify installation. When the install complete, open up a new terminal. Let's make sure it's installed. Run .NET. Verify the .NET is currently ready to use. Did that work? Usage, options, help. Oh yeah, or else it would have said not found, command not found. Right. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool. Chic. Step 3, get started. Hello world in 5 minutes. Install .NET Visual Studio Code. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh shit, you're right here in the tutorial. That's crazy. We already did this, right? Wait, is this different or... it's the same one. Never mind. Download VS Code. You can do the .NET tool install global beacon. I'm sorry, what? What is it? You can do .NET tool install global beacon. What is global beacon? .NET tool install global beacon. Is that the name of the then run .NET beacon? What's .NET beacon though? I'm sorry. Do you mean in VS Code or do you mean Right, but what does beacon do? Sorry. Oh, here we go. Do you mean this right here? .NET Beacon package. It's a fun .NET tool that draws bacon. Oh, bacon! Bacon! I thought you said beacon. Oh, okay. Sorry. I was like... Ooh. Sorry. C download installation, C# dev kit. Okay, so... Then there's the... What is the difference between that and this one, though? IntelliCode for C# dev kit. Oh, it's preview. Okay, so it's like an upcoming thing. Please name music. This is called Lost City by Lost. Or, sorry. It's called Lost by... Yeah, the track is called Lost. The artist is Lost Sky. Sorry. It's just a separate, because not everyone uses the IntelliCode. What is IntelliCode? Is that like a special thing, or wait, isn't IntelliCode a extension as well on here? Oh, it's an IDE? Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, it's a tool that guides code type. Well, wouldn't you want the IntelliCode? Or things like Codium will probably take care of that, though, right? I was gonna say, yeah. There's a VS Code plugin. Oh, okay, gotcha. Wait, Johnny, do you do C# as well? I thought you were JavaScript for some reason. Yeah, what do you code with? No way, Jose. Oh, okay. Wait, what do you code in? What's your primary? PHP, Golang, Python, Perl, Java. Oh, okay, yeah, gotcha. Yeah, it's so hard to choose, guys. Like, you know what I mean? I guess I could see the benefit of C or .NET, because with like .NET, you literally can do whatever you want. You can do web, you can do games, you can do fucking software, you can do web. Excuse me. You can do AI. It's like, man. Advert. Oh, I fucking hate Twitch. Adverts. Sorry, guys. It'll be over in a minute. 1 minute. Is that the same guy who created the tool that censors confidential code line, especially auth key? Really? What is it? Though it can be used in VS Code, Windows only. Making mistakes is hard. Easy streaming, presenting, showing code. Oh, can you only... Hold on, you guys back up. 10 seconds. Oh, are you... Okay, so some of you may be bad. Oh, okay, so you made this? This is cool. So, but you can only use it on Windows? Oh, it's not an extension. I thought it was. No, I didn't make it. Thindle did. Oh, okay. Easy to use streaming. Well, Yeah, I have something called Cloak for mine. Oh, here, let me install this dev kit first. There is a VS Code extension with that name. Oh, okay. Don't dox yourself. I love that. Nice. Do we have to reload or no? Helps you manage your code with the solution. Explore. Test. Okay. Yeah, so I use this one right here. Cloak. Open the ENV, press F1 for command palette, type cloak, hide secrets. Yeah. So I assume they both do kind of like the same thing. That's pretty cool though. So oh, so this is called Visual. So this is for Visual Studio, not VS Code. This Don't Dox Yourself app or extension. So that's why it would be Windows only, right? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Now I was like, why don't you just... Okay. Maybe it's on here. Don't dox yourself. No, I don't think they have it on here. Oh, well, Cloak... Anyways, Cloak works just fine. Okay, anyways, back to this. God, I never use this terminal at all. Okay. If the installation succeeded, you should see the similar following. If everything looks good, click continue to go to the next step. Got an error if you received. Continue. Says create your app. Open the... Yeah, but what app are we creating? That's what I'm wondering. Like, what does it actually create? You know what I mean? Like... A Hello World console. Oh, it's a console app. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense. In the command palette in VS Code, press Control-Shift-P, type .NET, and see the commands you can run with the kit. Find the new project and create a new .NET project. Scroll down and select console app. Oh, okay. Choose the folder location you'd like to save your project. Oh, okay, cool. That's neat. Okay, why don't I just move this over to this monitor? Hey, there we go. Okay, so clear. So Command Shift P, and then we're typing in .NET. Okay, and then we're doing new project. Okay, and then core empty, web app, but we're looking for console app. Click on console app. Okay. And then my console app. And then this project will be created in single player projects.net my console app. Okay. Just like that? Let's see. If you have Visual Studio subscription, sign in to your account. If you do not see a prompt to VS Code solution. Wait, what is it? If you have a Visual Studio subscription, sign into your account. If you do not see a prompt pop up, C# status bar. We don't need that, right? I don't think we need that, do we? Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, it's all good. It's a thing. Oh, you have to log in? Uh-oh. But I don't have a subscription. No, don't. Oh my god, hold on. You can now close this page. Yeah, okay. Individual license. You just need to I think it uses your GitHub account. Oh, well, alright, never mind. That works. I don't even know if they're connected, to be honest. I have my GitHub account right here. At least I thought I did. Yeah, right here. Yep, right here. Yep. In the VS Code sidebar, make sure the Explorer is open. See the folder solutions. If you've opened a new instance, okay, nice. In the main file, in the My Console app folder called program.cs. Let's see, program.cs. By default, it already contains the necessary code to write hello world to the terminal. Click on the file and see the code created by the template. I see it. My console app. My console app. SLN. Hey, crazy. Sorry, didn't see your chat there. What language are you starting with? Looks like we're taking a look at C# right now. Double click the SNL file. Microsoft Visual. Oh, is this like, yeah, what is this actually? What's this for? Is this like one of those, yeah. What do they call it? JSON package thingies? That's the solutions file. Oh, okay, gotcha. How's your day going, Gofo? So if you have like 10 different projects, I might try it someday. I need to watch the tutorials about it. Okay, let's see. Sign in, click the next step. Continue. It says run your application. It says select the drop-down menu on the right button and hit run associate project of file. Run associate project. Hello world. Well, damn, there we go. Wait, it took all that just to say hello world? Isn't JavaScript a little bit more faster? Like literally, you know what I mean? That had to compile, didn't it? You're now a .NET dev. Hey, woohoo! Yeah, let's go. Let's go. You can run .NET Watch. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, do you do .NET as well? Watch me lurking. And it will auto hot reload. Okay, cool, nice. I'm finally done with 32 hours of fixing some idiot CME update. Ah, dude, what is CME? I'm sorry if that's a simple knowledge thing. I'm just not. I don't know much about CME stuff. I just learned about something contracts that you can code now for like crypto or blockchain smart contracts. There we go. And I barely understand that. So yeah, what is CME? CME, cream mayo enchilada. Sounds pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. CME. I'm trying to think. CME, control management something? Or no, probably not. Jeez, dude, you could just Google it. What is CME programming? Continue medical education? No, I don't think that's it. Medical education. Oh, maybe it is. Is that what it is? I'm finally done 32 hours fixing some idiots. CME update. Oh, maybe it is central continue medical education. Unless it's something else. Contract. That's growing. It's. Oh, ECM. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, gotcha. ECM codes or diagnostic trouble codes are alphanumeric codes generated by engine control module. Oh, okay, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, gotcha. It's that little like device that you plug into a car, and it shows you like what's wrong with your engine and stuff like that, or it gives you a decent idea like if your car's fucked up electrically and stuff like that. So it can like say, hey, you probably got a sensor issue, or our neighbor, I don't know if he lives here anymore, but he had this like software on his computer that connected to a device that you plugged into a car, and it would have like a fucking insane amount of information about the vehicle. It was crazy. It's for running factories. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice, dude. But 32 hours? Damn, dude. CS Sharp and thecards.com. Is that Fritz's website? Dude, I haven't talked to him in forever. I feel so bad. I'm still a part of the Live Coders Discord, right? I am. I actually am. I haven't talked. When was the last message? Oh, they're still pretty active. Dude, I feel so bad, man. I'm surprised they haven't booted my ass out of the club. But I'm back to coding now, so we're good. Yeah, dude. Dude, Fritz loves .NET, man. Fritz loves .NET, man. Nice. Welcome to the CS Cards and Instrument video training series designed for those eager to dive into programming. Okay, nice. It's pretty cool. Dude, yeah, he loves .NET, man. It's awesome. I wish they would include ML, machine learning, using OpenCV. I write almost everything in C because I'm old. Aw. Hey, dude. Nothing wrong with that, man. Have you ever wrote Cobol in Cobol, whatever it is? Can you use it to control your uranium gas centrifuge? So you're down like the hardware level, right? Because C is like hardware level, right? But without any safety, net or anything like that. Like when you code in C, you're pretty much responsible for like memory usage too, right? You code the memory usage, don't you, or something like that? I have very little knowledge on C. I just remember people saying when you code in C, you have like really deep control down near the hardware level of the computer. So like if you fuck up, you can like really mess up a computer bad if you write something incorrectly in C code. Actually, wasn't Apple iPhone apps built with C, or software and apps built with C originally before they came out with what is Apple's language called? It's it's called Objective-C, but what is it called? Apple uses Swift now, right? Swift UI, Swift and Swift UI now. Yeah, for their apps. Damn, we built a hello world. There we go. I have to read ladder logic, which is over 100-year-old format. Damn, dude. If you want a full example of C# project, you can clone and run this repo. Master Tech Mazer Blazor. It's pretty compatible with C++. Oh, is it? Blazor. So Blazor is like React, right? It's a front-end web framework, if I'm correct, I think. Or Blazor allows you to Blazor allows you to use C# and HTML code, basically. So if you want to talk to the back end, you can use Blaze to, right? I think. God damn, dude. I know very little about this stuff, guys. So if I say something stupid, my bad. I apologize. I don't mean to sound dumb. I just don't have knowledge on a lot of this stuff, so. Now I can dump Angular. Wait, use Angular? I didn't know anyone actually still used Angular. And you at least use Angular too, though, right? Yep, you can just do C# and make web pages, apps, etc. No need to learn all different things and how Angular does X. You can just raw .NET C# super easy, super fast. Do they have ways to convert other like languages to, like, if you want to convert your stuff over from, like, I don't know, Java to like C#, or would you have to like recode something like that? Probably would, right? I'd assume. Yeah, you have to refactor. Yeah. Sorry. Guys, I got up like super early and taught cycling, so I'm a little tired. My bad. I do not know any of the automated tools. There are some code generation stuff for JavaScript, but nothing official. Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right. So we created our hello world. Congratulations. You've built your first .NET app. Select continue. Bro, I can now put this on my application under skills, C# developer. Or I'm sorry, .NET developer. Do you have a project you can show me? Yeah, bro. Check this out. Hello world. I remember that console.write line. Isn't it console.read or something like that? Or console.read line to read what someone submits to you? So if you said console.write line, what is your name? And then you would put in name equals console.read line and then whatever they put in, right? Okay, cool. I remember a little bit. In your program CS file, add the highlighted line after the code that prints hello world. Like the following. Okay, so here we go. Console.write line. The current time is plus date time dot now. Save. Save the program file and then run the project. Okay. The current time is 3/26/2024, 1:11:12 p.m. Oh shit, dude. Look at that. Now we got the time coming up too. The date and the time. Date time now. Okay. There we go. We're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Save the program. All right, hit continue. Next step. Congratulations, you've built and run your first .NET app. Keep learning. To keep learning skills, try our tutorials in the Microsoft where you can learn about .NET dependencies, working with files, building application, learning path, learn C#. Okay, so I think that's where I get hey Reality, how's it going? Sorry, I didn't see you earlier there. No, it's 1811. 1811? Date time UTC. Hehe. I didn't know that repo has Maui app sample code. So, okay, so the only thing I guess I'm a little confused about is there's .NET and then there's C#. Okay, is .NET like the base, and then C Sharp's like the language on top of the .NET framework? I think, or .NET allows you to run C Sharp, right? I think. .NET is the brand. Oh, they have this video right here I could watch. You know.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the .NET Beginner
How long is
Series.
this?
My
Okay,
name
it's
is
only
Claudia
3
Reggio,
minutes.
and I'll be taking you through it.
It's only 3
So
minutes.
let's go ahead and get started with what is .NET. .NET is a free, open source, cross-platform development platform. I know that's a lot of words, so we can take them one by one. So first of all, free is
gotcha.
free. We do not charge anything to be able to use .NET. Open source means that we develop in the open. That means you can see the code that our team is writing to develop .NET, and we actively encourage the external community to submit PRs to our repositories to help change the direction of .NET. Cross-platform means that it works and runs on Linux, macOS, and Windows. And a development platform just means it has programming languages and libraries. So when you put this all together, it's a free development environment where developers can build applications for their customers. What languages and what tools can you kind of use here? So .NET supports C#, F#, and more. As far as tools go, you can use your favorite integrated development environment, such as Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code.
Hold on. Let me catch up on chat. Hold on. C# is the .NET is the brand. C# are the products. Well, yeah, .NET is a set of libraries that Microsoft maintains that everyone uses because it has amazing MS support. So if you want to make an HTTP call, you can just use the default .NET HTTP nugget and it will just work. The idea is businesses can rapidly build out tools rather than having to chase down NPM stuff and updates, etc. Okay, that makes sense, yeah.
For a beginner, and you may be asking yourself, there's a couple options here. Which one do you really recommend? So since F# is the functional programming language and C# is the object-oriented programming language, we recommend you start off with C# and Visual Studio Code.
Hold on, what did she say?
If you keep watching,
functional?
we recommend you start off with pro environments such as Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. Now you're a beginner and you may be asking yourself, there's a couple options here. Which one do you really recommend? So since F# is the functional programming language and...
The functional programming language? What's that mean? F#, the functional programming language, okay.
And C# is the object-oriented.
Object-oriented. Functional. What? I've never heard of that. C# is OOP. Whoa. Okay, what's the difference between functional and object-oriented, though? I don't even know what that really means, to be honest. Object-oriented.
Programming language. We recommend you start off with C# and Visual Studio Code. If you keep watching, I'll actually be showing you how to get started with both of those two. So what can you build with .NET? Almost anything. You can build web apps and services, mobile and desktop applications with one single code base, cloud-native applications, IoT, APIs. You can build almost anything. So whether you're a new developer who's just getting started on your journey, or you have experience in
functional is function-based, OOP is object-based, but a description explanation would be too long to type in chat. Gotcha.
You're interested in .NET, we very likely have a home for you here and you can build what you want for your customers. Then you might have heard of .NET and .NET Framework, and aren't these two things the same? How are they different? So let's go ahead and take a look at a side-by-side that'll clear things up for us. So on the right side, we have .NET Framework, which is the first rendition of our product that only ran on Windows.
Right.
.NET is the modernized version, which runs on Linux, macOS, and Windows. It's also open source, and like I mentioned, it accepts contributions from the community. .NET Framework, on the other hand, the source code is available, but it does not accept contributions. And then modern .NET is where all the innovation actually happens, and we support more application types. .NET Framework has security and reliability bugs on a monthly basis. Modern .NET is also not shipped with any particular operating system, whereas .NET Framework does come out of the box with Windows and is updated by Windows. But the biggest...
Okay, so all programming languages give you a certain way to model real-world concepts. In OOP, you think of the concepts as objects, things that have properties. Right, that makes sense, and you can do things. In functional programming, you think of processes, their inputs, and their outcomes. I get OOP, such as things that have properties. Right, like human, feet, eyes, color. Yeah, stuff like that. That makes sense because like everything has a set of properties to it, right? That makes sense, OOP. I hope that made sense. And then functional programming, you think of processors, their inputs, and their outcomes. So do you mean like on would cause an effect, off has a different effect? Is that functional? Like a switch? Like click, it does something. Click, it does something, right? Is that what you mean? Functional? Like click, click. Or like if you're switching on to switch off and on. Like my guitar. Do you know classes in PHP? Sorta, yeah. Like you have class user, and then in that class you have functions like login, register, delete, update, stuff like that, right? Hey, Jipster, welcome back. Oh, good. I'm glad everyone likes C#. That's good. Okay, good. That's OOP. Classes make an object. The object has all your functionality and data. Right. But, okay, so what would be like a functional example? I guess. I don't think I've actually ever used anything functional. Like, do you mean like if you say, this does this, which will cause an effect of this? Golang, Rust. Yeah, I haven't fucked with. Wait, JavaScript is functional? I thought JavaScript was object oriented though, because doesn't JavaScript have classes in it? Well, I think every lang has classes, right? Really? I didn't know that. For example, the problem that you want. Oh, hold on, guys. Give me a second. I gotta. The problem is that you want to send an email. In OOP, you abstract it as the user, email, and the service that sends the email. In functional program, you think of writing an email, sending an email. Oh, okay, gotcha. Makes sense. This is my understanding. TypeScript introduced OOBE into JavaScript. Advert. Already? Another advert? Fuck you, Twitch. Guys, Twitch, if you're watching, cut the fucking ads out, dude. Seriously, like, chill on the ads, guys. Holy shit. They love making that ad money. Ugh. All right. There's classes in JavaScript. Oh, that's a good way to look at it if I didn't consider it. Has no types. Oh, but that's where TypeScript comes in and says, hey, you have to have a type when you're doing like stuff, right? Welcome back. That makes sense with TypeScript now. Because with TypeScript, it says you must say what kind of thing is this. Like when you're creating a function and you're including perimeter data or perimeters, it'll say, okay, what kind of perimeter is it? Is it a text? Is it a number? Is it a, right? I don't know much about TypeScript, so I'm not even gonna pretend to learn. The lines can easily be blurred though. Golang has types. Back. Okay, welcome back. One of those things that you know it when you see it, so it's kind of hard to describe. No, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Tyler builds rum goggles chat bot in Golang. Oh, really? I haven't used the rum bot. I was looking at it. It's like software that you run, and then that helps get like Rumble's data over to your OBS or something like that, I think. Although, and then I think it does some other stuff as well, like alerts and stuff like that. I saw they did an update on it. Oh, I didn't even post in the Gilded. Damn. I forgot to post. That was live. That's okay. Okay, that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna mute this. Let's keep watching.
Difference I actually want to call out here is that modern.NET is recommended for all new development. So when you're a new person taking on a new project, we highly recommend you go with modern.NET.
Well, I'm on a Mac, so I really have no choice. It can be a little tricky sometimes to understand which one you're downloading. So let me go ahead and give you a little cheat sheet here. So when you see version 4.8.1 or lower, that is .NET Framework. Right.
That should really only exclusively be downloaded if the project that you're working on exclusively calls for it. If you want to use modern.NET, you're looking for any version 5 and above. Obviously, we just had our .NET 8 release, so we highly recommend that you install
Hey, Jake,
and work
how's
with
it going?
.NET 8.
Not really.
So now that I've kind of given you the lay of the land of what is .NET, here are a few more resources you can take a look at. We have the .NET website, our documentation.
We've built a ton of tools for Rumble. Oh, really? Nice. Sick. Oh God, chat's running fast. Hold on, guys. Hey, do you have a Discord group? I thought I already knew how to code. I'd love to be in your circle. I've been looking around to find C# devs, but I encourage you to check out One Lion and Setali. Sorry, fellow streamers using .NET Blazor stuff. No, it's not running fast. Is it just spamming one word at a time? Bad habit. Oh, okay. I just want to make sure I wasn't missing anything. Yeah, no, I've been seeing the or Gofo. I've been seeing the stuff you've been doing, or the updates that they've been putting out on Gilded. Dude, I gotta say, Gilded's pretty interesting software. It's like Discord, but it has a lot more features kind of baked out of the box. The UI is a little wonky though, I'll admit. It does need to be tweaked or fixed up a little bit. Like with Discord, as soon as I open it, it kind of starts me at where the latest combo is. I think every time I open up Gilded, it stops. It like shoots me up at the top, kind of. It's kind of hard to explain. Yeah. But yeah, Gilded's got some pretty cool features out of the box. Like the built calendar tool is really cool. And then I do like the like if you create like threads and stuff like that, it's like conversation. It's almost like a forum. You know what I mean? So yeah, the Gilded app's pretty neat. But I don't want to like create. I have a Sika player server for Gilded, but most people I know use Discord, so I'll probably just use Discord as my server. That way I'm not splitting up people between Gilded and then I have to post twice. You know what I mean? So it's basically Discord Nitro without paying $100. Yeah, about that.
Where you can actually download and a Hello World tutorial. Now, if you stay for the next video, I'm going to show you how to install .NET and how you can get started with VS Code and C#. See you in the next one.
Nice, VS Code. So they're really pushing for VS Code now. Or for, right? VS Code. That's cool. Okay, I'll mute. There we go. Mostly VS Code, yeah. It's basically... Ooh, you might also be interested in try machine learning, get an editor. Get your .NET dev tool set up with the right .NET editor for you. Oh, okay, cool. I mean... Oh, I see. .NET's for free. Yeah, but do you want to learn .NET or do you want to learn C#? Like, what do you do? Or is .NET like, you really don't need to... Yeah, what would be the point of the... C# is the language of the .NET runtime. Oh, okay. And then this is C#. Writing your first C# code. Do you know Java? I do not know Java. No. It's like Java and JVM. .NET runs on more than one language, so you'd be learning .NET CS. Or C#, okay. For the beginner, you think of .NET and C# as the same, to be honest. Gotcha, okay. That makes sense. Well, okay, so like if you wanted to build... So if you wanted to get into the web side of things, would you need to learn the .NET side of things first, or would you need to just learn the C# thing, or when you're learning C#, you're learning .NET as well? Oh, I can't read your name. Reapin, there we go. Your name always comes up with the like weird blue on Restream's chat widget. It's really weird. How you doing, dude? Good afternoon. Which companies use C#? Mostly gaming companies. Well, I think a lot of gaming companies still use C++. Decent playing MLB. Hell yeah, let's go. A lot of companies do. But no one uses Blazor, so if you want to use web dev, don't use C#. Most government, large companies, all kind of companies, startups. I mean, a lot of companies use C#. Wait a minute, no one uses Blazor? I thought Blazor was what... I thought, like, if you build a website, everyone uses Blazor. But there's ways of doing C#, say the web. I mean, okay, so you could use Blazor, or you could use, I think with C# though, with the website, you could still use like React if you wanted to, right? Or any kind of front end, because C# is just the back end basically, right? Isn't there Razor too? Corporate analytics use C#. Oh, do they? Like, there's nothing stopping you from making a web app with Godot or Unity. I use Razor back in the old days. I was gonna say there's Blazor, Razor, Platinum.Uno, or stuff like that. Wait, what is that? Beautiful .NET apps faster. Platforms. Oh, I've heard of Rider. Design. Visual Studio for Uno development. Reload. Many ways in .NET to make web apps. Oh, okay, gotcha. Writing your first C# code. Get started by writing syntax. So, okay, so that's C#. So when you get into like things like machine learning, do you still use C# or do you do a different language for like something like machine learning? Is that... Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, so basically, say we did machine learning, C# would be the language, but .NET will run things differently for the machine learning side of things, right? I hope I have that right. Right, that link. One way to .NET. Yeah, ML, open source, cross-platform machine learning. Right, okay. Oh, okay, I see right here. Yeah. Built for .NET developers. Create a new ML context, CTX, ML context. Read the input data from a text file for the model trainer. iData view equals training data equals ctx.data. Load from text file, model input, data path has headers true. Read the text input data from a text file. Okay, so if you uploaded a text file, that's how it would read it. Step 3, build your data processing and training pipeline. var pipeline equals ctx transforms text. And then it does featured text, name of issue text, append, that adds to it, label features, step 4, train your model, make predictions using your model. It's as easy as that. I think machine learning might be a little bit above my brain level, or my Power BI specialist uses C# to convert my VBA into a presentable dashboard for upper level management. I know some of those words, crazy. I think I get what you mean, though. Yeah, I think I get what you mean. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Pythons. Sorry. We could use ML to do a sentiment analytics on messages coming in from chat. Oh, so you could use like machine learning to like, well, I don't know, what could we do with that? Like, so you get the messages in from everybody and then predict what they're gonna say next. Like, what would they say next, or something like that? Or like, or analyze like what they've said, or what do you mean? I guess we could use machine learning to do sentiment analytics. Are there a lot of engineer jobs in your area? I don't think so. No, most things are going to be like remote, to be honest. Yeah, there's probably a ton of, remote work's huge. Yeah. Jake, what do you code in? What's your coding specialty? Tell you what, if we're able to make an app that I can read all these chats from everybody in one widget and then install it on my tablet, that would be good too. TypeScript, Python, and Java. Ooh, nice. Okay, cool. Sentiment analytics is how happy or sad someone is, or how polite. But how would it know? Oh, it would use like the sentence, and how would it know if you're happy? Would it just use it based on words to see how happy or sad someone is? That would. Oh, I think I get what you mean. So it would basically like use data from models. Well, okay, so here's a hard part for that, like deflux is an example. If I say, hey buddy, how you doing today? Right? Or, hey buddy, how are you doing today? You know what I mean? How does it tell? You know what I mean? You can't hear tone in text. And I think that's very difficult. But I mean, it's a good example. Or Social Stream Ninja is multi-chat and overlay. Oh, really? Social Stream Ninja. I haven't heard of that one. For sure. It's just an example. So for instance, I'm sure you could feed it audio. There you go. That's true. Oh, so another good example is the word pal. Okay. So when I say pal, he's my friend, he's my pal. Like, we're friends, right? But a lot of people use hey pal as a bad thing. Like when you don't like somebody, they'll go, hey pal. You know what I mean? Like, they'll say it in a very aggressive way, but I can't hear it. You know what I mean? Social Stream Ninja. I don't think I've heard of that one. Well, the more you train the model, the better the model is going to know. That is true. That is true. So what does Microsoft, who the fuck's Michael? Does Microsoft have a like big investment into OpenAI? Is that they both work with each other now, like head to head, right? Like all of the AI Microsoft has is based on OpenAI right now, correct? Social Stream Ninja. Why do I think I've heard of that before. Social Stream Ninja. Oh yeah, I've heard of this. I think. Yeah, I've heard of this. This like has everything, like live spaces on here. Everything, I think. Jump and download the installation, supports live on me, Facebook, Twitch, Zoom, dozens of more. Could feature chat overlay with messages via the dockable dashboard. Supports bot commands. Okay, shit, look at that. Can you install this on your tablet though? Oh, it has that little feature too where you can add a thing in there. So if someone asks a question, you can like click on the thing and it'll pop up on screen. I've heard of that. Microsoft bought OpenAI. Now it's closed. Nice. Wait, did they buy it? I didn't know they bought it. I thought it was its own thing. I didn't know that. So, like, Elon Musk was the founder of OpenAI, right? And then he left the company, and now we have Grok. Which, I mean, guys, Grok's okay. It's still, like, it's okay. Like, I don't know. It's okay. You know what I mean? It's Grok. It's nothing like, I don't know. It's nothing too impressive that based on what I've seen. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not like blown away with it. You know, it just answers question like any other fucking text editor does. You know what I mean? But I feel like OpenAI. Now, the one thing Grok does have is more recent data, like real-time data. You know what I mean? Which is nice. Whereas OpenAI is limited by the date information or whatever it's called. You know what I mean? It would be surprised if AI speaks to you in a friendly way and says, "Good morning, sir. Would you like to have some cup of coffee? I can reschedule your death sentence tomorrow morning." Jesus! Have a nice day. Oh, God. This is pretty cool, though. Can you install this on a tablet? That'd be pretty cool. Twitch.tv, YouTube Live, YouTube static commands, Facebook Live. So, wait, is this software you install, or... Oh, that's a framework. Building your favorite tools, Visual Studio. Jeez, my brain. You can now clear all of your watch history on Rumble Video and even temporarily pause it. Oh, that's cool. Dude, that's what I'm saying, dude. I'm telling you, like, Rumble, they're updating Rumble all the time, guys. Like, look at all the cool stuff. They're coming out with some good features. Dude, that's the problem with all these and that's why I love multi-streaming, guys. Like, that's the beauty of multi-streaming. You can literally, you know what I mean? Like, you get all the best of all the platforms. Like, Kick offers a lot of great stuff. Rumble offers a lot of great stuff. Live Space, it's getting there. Twitch has a lot of great features. YouTube's YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, that's the beauty of multi-streaming. You get to enjoy everything from all these platforms. You know? Works on all Chromium browsers. Gotcha. So, like, my problem, crazy, is, so, like, I do a lot of IRL streaming. So I go to the gym and stuff like that, and I like to stream doing workouts. But the problem is I have to have a tablet open, and I have to have all the tabs open for all the chats, and it's a fucking nightmare. Because I miss chats. Like, I've even had people on Rumble talk to me, but my tabs defaulted on Twitch. And then I'll have people on Kick trying to... And by the time I tab over, they're probably long gone because I didn't even respond to them. So they're probably like, "Oh, this asshole doesn't even notice me." You know what I mean? But I just don't see the chat. You know what I mean? Because it's all in separate tabs, and I can't put them side by side on the tablet. It would be a nightmare. So, like, it would be cool if I had, like, a tablet app or a website where I just go to the web page and it shows all the widgets for where they're coming from. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, on tablets, even on Chrome, you don't get extensions. I don't know why, but they just don't have them on tablets, at least with iPads. But this is pretty cool. This actually might be really handy for me. And you can embed the chat also into the stream or on OBS as well. Cause your dick can never respond. I know, Mad Dog. Oh yeah, you can right here. I love how I asked that question, then literally it's right there. Secret Player, you could get GitHub, Fritz, and Friends GUI, and you can add to it and PR back into the public repo and add to your resume. Can we see your resume? It's not impressive. It literally said, the only thing on my resume is community manager, support specialist. I've worked a lot of jobs in support. There's nothing dev related. Maybe 2 jobs are actually dev related. So, yeah, you can add Rumble to and then PR it. But god damn, I keep clicking on the thing. And then PR it back. I could do that. First, I should probably learn C# though. That's cool. I'll check this out. Wait, so how do you actually add this on to your... Oh. Jump to download installation instructions. To install this extension work on Chromium-based browser, Firefox users here. Currently, you must download and extract the browser manually. Web store, GitHub, main zip. Once extracted into a folder, you can then go here to extensions, details, and then you're ready to start using it. Firefox support, standalone. Oh, wait, right here. There is an upcoming standalone version of the social stream, which installs an app rather than a browser extension. Try a preview version of it. Worked right here. Mac and PC are supported currently, with Linux coming later on. Using the extension, disable stream of data. You're using version. Please note that if any extension is read. Clear overlay, filter message, pause chat, hide, send, disable triggers. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can control keyboard. Oh, so you paste these into... Oh, okay, I see. Yeah. A good solution for overlays. 18600, specify the browser style. Ah, okay, cool. So this is bringing in all the chats. Nice. Okay. Yeah, right. You first gotta learn language before you contribute. I'm going to contribute to this project. And then you open up the project, have no clue what you're doing. I'm confused. Oh, I guess that makes sense. Oh man, is Blazor a WASM app? Well, this is pretty cool though. I'll have to check this out, definitely. Alright. Start by writing code examples, so the basics of the syntax. Alright. let's see. Hold on. I thought I was already signed in. Wasm is super cool and it has a great use for Blazor. Wait, what's a wasm? Or wasm? Whatever it's called. Wasm. God, another fucking ads coming through Twitch. Dude, I think oh yeah, it's every 30 minutes they pop ads in. Oh, God, I keep forgetting that. Good old Twitch and their little ads, man. Is a WebAssembly is a standard for writing web app. Oh, okay, gotcha. Gotcha, that makes sense. If it funds the stream, I don't mind. Yeah, but still, not by a lot, dude. You know what I mean? Like, it's still I feel like an inconvenience for you guys. Like, you'll be watching, next thing you know, a fucking ad pops up that probably has zero you even have an interest in. You know what I mean? Blazor can compile web. Seek a player, use Brave browser ad free. Oh, okay, there you go. You're like, I don't see any ads. I don't know what you're talking about. Yep, there's the advert. Dude, I had to just say, oh yeah, there's no point of talking. No one's gonna hear me. But so crazy. Do you do a lot of like, if you're still here, do you do like a lot of contribution stuff to the Rumbot and stuff like that, or I don't know much about the Rumbot. I've only seen a little bit of it. It's pretty cool that was built in Golang. I can hear you, I just don't see any ads at all. Oh, does the video disappear into like a black screen? You just hear my audio. That's pretty interesting. C programming language allows you to build many types of applications, like business applications to capture, analyze, and process data, or dynamic web applications that can be accessed via browser, games, 2D and 3D, financial, scientific applications, cloud-based applications, mobile applications. But how do you begin to write an application? Applications are made up of many lines of code. Actually, hey, Deflux, are you back yet? I have a question for you. I think the ads are done. Okay, cool. So I have a client that wants a website built, but he wants an app made as well. Would it be easy to build the site out on C or .NET and then have an app? You know what I mean? But he doesn't want like a mobile website. He wants like an actual app. You know what I mean? Where clients can schedule sessions with him, if that makes sense, or with his counterpart, nurse practitioner. Jesus, there we go. But he wants a website. I was thinking about just using Squarespace for that because the budget's very small. You know what I mean? Like it's $1,000 budget to build a custom site plus mobile app. Then there comes the hosting. Where am I hosting this? Because I don't want to deal with web hosting issues. I don't want to deal with that shit. That does not sound like a fun time. How do you even host a .NET website? Do you have to have special hosting? Like Windows, or can you now host it on Linux? I assume Linux, because .NET works on Linux now, right? Yeah, it's like, use whatever works for you. Yeah, I'm thinking about, no, you can host it anywhere. Oh, okay. Yeah, obviously. Literally, the lady just told us in the video, you can now, yeah. Blazor is a static web app. Right. I mean, so basically the concept of what he said, so no hosting. Well, I mean, you need to host it somewhere so they can access it. Well, no, he wants... So, like, if you fill out a form and stuff like that, it submits into calendars and stuff like that. Like, he wants an availability thing built up so people can, like, choose a date and time they want to schedule an appointment for him or his nurse practitioner. Gotcha. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I just don't... I think it would probably be just easier to use Squarespace for that because that's a lot of work for $1,000. You know what I mean? Like, especially a app. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. I mean, if it's that simple, I just use free booking tool. Yeah, I was thinking he could use something like Calendly or something. You know what I mean? To do his booking. And just build a basic site, you know what I mean? But then you would need a page show of availability. Well, I guess you could probably do that through Calendar. I don't know much about those. But if you want, I can hop on a Discord and show you how you can make an Android. Yeah, we'll have to do that sometime, definitely. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, anyway, sorry, I didn't mean to get sidetracked. It was just a question because I was reading like mobile applications. Applications are all made up of many lines of code that work together task by task. By far the best way to learn how to write code is to write code. That is true. It's encouraged that you write code along with the exercises in this module and the others in this learning path. Writing code yourself in each exercise by solving small coding challenges will accelerate your learning. They haven't met me. You'll also begin learning small foundational concepts and build them with continual practice and exploration. Okay. In this module, you'll write your first line of C# code, use 2 different techniques to print a message as an output, diagnose errors when the code is incorrect, and identify different C# syntax elements like operators, classes, and methods. By the end of this module, you'll be able to write C# code to print a message to the standard output of a console, like the Windows terminal. These lines of code will give you your first look into C# syntax and immediately provide invaluable insights. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So they have an editor over here. Nice. Let's see here. Exercise. Write your first code. In this first hands-on exercise, you'll see C# and to print a hollowed programmer's phrase to the standard output of the console. Should we use this or should we just use our editor? Should we just use this over here? Or what would you guys suggest? Yeah, no. What? Oh, okay, cool. I was like, what? Hold on, give me a second, guys. I hate those things. I do too, yeah. I've never been a fan of them. Yeah, give me a second, guys. Oh, whoops. Let's see here. But since you have some skill, you clearly know what you're doing. I would skip the super beginner stuff. Yeah, right. Good point. Do they have like a dark mode option on this website by chance? I can't find it. I thought it was in the options, but I couldn't find it. Or is that a computer thing? It's probably under themes, right? Okay, that didn't do anything. Yeah, I don't see a button that has dark mode. Excuse me. Yeah, right? But yours is in dark mode? Alright, let's see. I just gotta reload the page. Oh, there we go. That's solved real quick. Alright, well, whatever. Alright. Write your first line of code. There's long-standing among software developers to print the phrase "Hello World" to the console output window. As you experience, you can learn about programming C# language from this simple exercise. The .NET editor and output console provide a great in-browser experience that is perfect for this tutorial approach. The .NET editor is located on the right-hand side of the page. See experience why. Okay. So let me go back to here. Run, go. All right, so if I do this and then I say new project and then I do console app, right? And then I say, I don't know what we call this, like, C#, right? First, I don't know. Oh shit, it put in the same. Oh, okay, no, we're good. Okay. And then this is the program. Well, shit, it did it for me. What can I say? But what if you get an error message? Work smart, not hard. Exactly. See? Did it for me. Writing C# code is an exercise in precision. If you type just one character incorrectly, you'll get an error message. For example, if you were to incorrectly enter a lowercase c for console, okay, save. You get the following error. So if I did this, run project, build error, failed to build. Would you like to continue to run the project? No. Terminal process code. Error. The name console does not exist in their current context. Okay. The first part, 1, 1. Well, I don't get that error. Here, let me try one more time. See if it will actually run it. Open. Okay. Problems. Here we go. The name console doesn't exist in the context. Line 2, call 1. The first part, 1, comma 1, indicates that the line column where the error occurred, but does this error message mean? C# is a case-sensitive language, meaning that the C# compiler considers the words console and console as different as the words cat and dog. Sometimes the error message can be a bit misleading. You'll need to understand the true reason why your error exists. And that comes through learning more about C# syntax. Similarly, if you use single quotation marks surrounding the literal string hello world console like so, you would get the following error message: 1,9 error, too many characters in the character literal. Again, line 1, character 19 points to the culprit. You can use this error message as a clue as you investigate the problem, but what does the error message mean exactly? Character literal. Later, you'll be learning more about literals and various data types, including character literals. For now, be careful when you're entering code. Fortunately, errors are never permanent. You merely spot the error, fix it, and then rerun your code. If you get an error... Wait a minute. If you get an error when you run your code, take a moment to look at it closely. Examine each character and make sure you entered the code correctly. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so let me turn that back to C. Save. There we go. Now if I run it again. Bam, hello world. There we go. Just like that, guys. See? Common mistakes new programmers make. Entering lowercase letters instead of capitalizing them. Let's see. Okay, makes sense. Sorry, guys, I'm just kind of reading up over here. Entering a comma instead of a period between the console and right line, forgetting the double quotation marks or single. So you can use either single or doubles when you're doing C#, like you can with like PHP and stuff like that. So if you want to use just single quotes instead of double, but they must match basically, right? Same thing. Okay, cool. Dude, this is probably the most coding I've done in a long time. I haven't even written any code yet. Well, I did edit the C. So can you use things like Tailwind and shit like that with web apps when you're building them with C#? I assume you can, right? You can use like Tailwind and stuff like that. Okay, cool. Nice. All right. Nice. I like it. You can use whatever you want. Okay. Displaying the new message. You can even do JavaScript or TS within Blazor if you want. Like if you already have a UI made. Oh, okay, cool. That's neat. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Wait, what time is that today? Alright, let's see. Okay. In this task, you'll comment out the previous line of code and add new lines of code in the editor. Okay, so got a console or comment that out. All right, perfect. You can create a code comment by prefixing a line of code with 2 forward slashes. The compiler will ignore the instructions. Code comments are helpful when you're ready to delete the code, yet you want to ignore it for now. You can also use code comment to add messages to yourself. Read later on. Add new lines of code to match the following code snippets. Okay. Console.writeLine. And then we say, congratulations, semicolon, console.write, and then add a space. So that's just a blank line. Console.write line. Oh, colon, we're not doing Python. You wrote your first lines of code. Save. First save, okay. And then congratulations, you wrote. Oh, well, I mean, okay, that works too. Wait, what was the point of adding that space there? Just add the space. I thought it was gonna add a break line. I mean, I guess it did, but it also added a gap over here. So we would just do, oops. We would just do this, right? And then if we rerun it, it should remove that little, there we go. That's better. Okay, cool. Press the red line button. The difference between the console write and console write line. Oh, yeah, I just wrote, oh shit. I've been doing write line, my bad. Right. Yeah, they said to do write, not write line. Save. See if we get the same results as we should get. Oh. Congratulations, you wrote your first lines of code. The 3 new lines of code you added demonstrate the difference between console write line and console write methods. To print an entire message to an output console, use the first technique, write line. At the end of the line, it added in a line feed similar to how to create a new line text by pressing enter or return. To print to the output console without adding a line feed at the end, use the second technique, console write. So the next call to console write prints another message in the same line. Oh, okay. So when you do write line, it's always going to go down. But if you just do write, it just keeps it all in one sentence, even though it's on different blocks of code. That makes sense. Okay. Cool. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Oh, I need to take a nap soon. I had to teach tonight, so I'm so exhausted from tomorrow will be better because tomorrow I have to teach at I don't have to get up at 5 a.m. to teach a class. Tuesdays are rough. At least we're making some progress. I just like how we're bringing coding to Kick and friggin' Rumble and Live Space. Like, Twitch has got a Twitch has got a really great dev community, but the other sites, there's it's kind of non-existent there, so it's good that we're actually getting it over there, you know? Oh. Yeah. This is Kick. So these guys are, I don't know what they're doing. Looks like a game. They have game development. I'm not sure why they're not right in there. And I have no clue what this is. 24/7 with Lee Cooking IRL Power World stream. Okay, I don't. And then I have no clue what this is. Kickbot. Okay. But yeah, I mean, you know. And then I don't even know if Rumble has one. Technology. Oh, there's software development. Oh, I mean, yeah, someone's ordering Godot. That's pretty cool. Nice. I mean, you know, there's something here, you know. That's good. It's good to see that, you know what I mean? Yeah, for me, Twitch gives you 80% trash and 20% genuine streamers. Watch me lurking. What category is Sika player? I mean... I don't know yet. Oh, stick around. I already have a theory. Here, we should use we should use machine learning to answer his question. Wouldn't that be funny if you were he's about to do machine learning? I will. There you go, and make his own Android app. Nice. You just asked the Android or the app.
New follower.
Hey, watch me lurking. Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. iOS. I was gonna say I need an iOS app for me. Oh, hold on. Ooh, is this a job thing? Damn, this is a long message. Hold on, guys. Have you used ChatGPT to make code yet? Yes, I have. Yeah. Hey there. I have an exciting. Oh boy, here we go. Hey there, I have an exciting opportunity for you if you're interested in a side hustle with minimal effort and financial investment. Read on. Oh boy, this sounds legit, guys. I'm looking for people to help spread the word about my content marketing company. Your task could be to send pre-written messages to your LinkedIn contacts. Oh my fucking word, what? Oh my god. Hold on. Contacts. I supply you with the messages so it's easy as cutting and pasting. In return, you'll receive a 20% referral fee to any new clients that you refer, and we close. Our average deals are worth $500 to $700 per month. That means you could earn $100 to $150 per month for each referral, adding up to $1,200 to $1,800 annually per referral. If you're interested in generating passive income, please reply to this message or email me at never mind, I'm not advertising their fucking thing. Thank you, founder. So basically, work for free. Right, exactly. And then annoy the shit out of my contacts. Paid on referral. Exactly, right. What should I respond? Give him a passive response. Yeah, what should I respond? How about I'm trying to think. Ignore it. Yeah, I could probably just ignore it. Damn, that sucks. Respond with your own pyramid. Have you heard of Verve Energy? Did you guys ever hear about Verve Energy? It was this like pyramid fucking scheme energy drink company that they'd send people into colleges to get please click this link and sign up. Right, exactly. Yeah, it was like Verve Energy. So people like would sell energy drinks, but they didn't give a shit about the energy drinks. It was all about getting your friends to sign up underneath you or your fellow classmates to sign up underneath you so they could create their own business. And then they had the whole win a car and all that shit. Dude, I kept telling people, I was like, this is a pyramid scheme. No, it's not. And yeah, guess what? The company, yeah, they're not around anymore. Have you guys heard of Quickstar, Amway, Global? Hello? God. Or what is that one? You should be here vacation thingy. Oh my god, that was another one. That was another one right there. Carlos Mentos speaking at BitConnect. Oh my god, BitConnect. I heard about them. Weren't they that one that you what was it? You put your crypto into it or something like that, and then it would gain like insane amounts of interest or something like that. And was that the same company that got in big trouble for their didn't they run a Ponzi scheme or something like that? I think. Yeah, okay. BitConnect. I remember these guys.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up? Big connect!
Oh, God.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
I have the
whoa,
audio
whoa, whoa,
turned
what's
down,
up?
no worries.
No, no, no. Be connect!
Oh, damn!
Wow! Be connect! Be connect!
Oh, my God! What the fuck, dude? I'm glad I had that turned down, dude. Oh my God, dude. Bye now. I would highly avoid Bitcoin. It's just still, there's no way that's still around. Didn't it get shut down? Oh my God, dude. Yeah, wasn't that the company that said, I can give you 16% interest on all crypto? And people were like, how are you doing that? And he's like, we have our ways. Basically, they were using money from new investors to pay back the old investors. You know what I mean? But yeah, there was no like true, it was bad. If you came in late, of course, there's another advert. If you came in late to BitConnect, you are fucked. You are holding the bag, man. And by bag, no, I'm sorry, you weren't holding shit. You lost all your money. Because that money was used to, yeah, it was bad. Yeah, it was like 16% or something. Like, actually, it might have been between like 14 and 16% interest. It was extremely high, and people were very confused on how they were making those kind of returns for people. And they were, oh, well, we're getting it from people taking crypto business loans. And yeah, it was a big ass Ponzi scheme for sure. BitConnect. Let's see. BitConnect, also spelled BitConnect, yada yada yada, was an open source cryptocurrency in 2016-2018 that was connected with a high yield investment program, a type of Ponzi scheme. After, okay, just move this over here. After the platform administrator closed the earnings platform on January 16, 2018, and refunded the user's investment in BCC following a 92% coin value crash, confidence was lost and the value of the coin plummeted below $1 from a previous high of nearly 525. Oh, that's crazy. What was their interest rates? Trying to see if I can find it here. Tax. Bank only offers around 3%. If I'm not mistaken, 8% is too high, I guess. You can get 5% at a lot of places now. They're all competing with each other. But yeah, like what's the name of that one company? Sulfur, something like that. They do like 5 point something percent. Most banks do like high 4s now, 4 to 5 for your savings. Did you know your savings account have a much higher interest rate than CDs do? Like the government's not paying jack shit on CDs. CDs are worth like nothing, but your savings account holds probably a higher interest rate. I guess it would depend on the whatchamacallit, the bank too, you know what I mean, the institution. Time deposit, Then there's money market savings account. Excuse me. And those hold a much higher interest rate, but you're not allowed to touch the money. Yeah, you gotta like keep it in there for like 6 months to a year. It's almost like a CD, almost. But yeah, if you get 8%, fuck, dude. Could you imagine getting, dude? If you got on BitConnect early on, so you say you dumped in like thousands of dollars worth of crypto, and you were getting that 16%, and you cashed the fuck out before it collapsed, you probably made out pretty well. Unfortunately, like I said, it was the later people that came in late that got fucked up. You know what I mean? Well, it's the same with like, what was that other one? Like, FXT. What was that dude that had the curly, freaky hair that looked weird? He was like a League of Legends gamer. Oh, fuck. What was his name? FTX. There we go. Thank you. Yeah. Sam Beekman or something. I don't know. Yeah, Sam Fried Fry, whatever the fuck his weird name is. Even now, crypto. Oops, I missed that chat. Even now, crypto bull run is already happening. Really? Wonder what will happen after 2024. Who knows, man? Seek coin, get it now. Wow. Yeah, right. The coin is cheap. 20. Yeah, dude. Do you think crypto is gonna stay, or do you think it'll crash? Well, I think a lot of cryptos will crash at some point. I think Bitcoin seems to be really solid. ETH seems to be really good. The one that's been catching a lot of oh god, what's the word? Popularity is Solaya, something like that is what I'm pronouncing it wrong. Solo, something like that. Like that seems to be getting a lot of popularity now as well. You have to remember that to this day, a ton of people in the world do not have access to reliable local currency. True. Like most of South America, currency is worthless. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah. Rumor says that BTC will be the main, the rest will collapse. Really? But isn't there like a ton of Bitcoin missing? That's forever lost in people's like wallets and shit like that too, that they've just like that on arrival is a relic. Well, I feel like there's gonna be, well, okay, what about things like stable coins like USDC? Like, what do you guys think about stable coins like that that's backed by actual money? Those seem pretty popular because they're stable coins. Like, they'll never go above $1 because they're worth $1, because it's backed by the dollar that goes in. Because all of those coins are hooked to BTC. And then there's Tether, USTDC or something like that, or USTC or something like that, where Tether is supposed to be a bit more, people like Tether more than the USDC I was reading. But basically, from what I learned with those stable coins like that, is like I put in $1, and then that dollar is then transferred to a place, and it holds there. So then I get that one USDC because my dollar is backing that one, right? I think we should get that app for your client and put in mining code. Oh God. Hey, why is the website running slow? Don't worry about it. I'm getting this weird bill from our hosting company. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's really using a lot of resources. Yeah, it's good. Nah, that'd be crazy. This app is great, but it kills my battery, right? Why is my graphic card running so hot all the time? I don't know. Yeah, it'd be cool until you got in big fucking trouble. That would be so unethical. That would be horrible to do. I feel like that's illegal. That's like basically installing malware into a fucking website app, right? For the actual site owner. Because you're putting code that they have no clue what it does in their own... Oh, that'd be horrible. I would never do that. That would be crazy. Zika player, yeah. TPB did it back in the day. No shit, really. They would hide mining code into apps for people's computers. That's fucking nuts, man. So they were basically installing mining in the back end of programs. So it was like mining in their user, like people's computers, and they didn't even realize it. And it was just building all the crypto and sending it back to the wallet to the fucking software devs. That's fucked up. So no, when TBD got shut down, they made a ton of source version that people could run, and people were like, I would run it, but it cost me money. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, doesn't it cost like a shit ton of money to fucking mine crypto? Or, well, I guess it depends on what kind of crypto. Like, because ETH is a lot lower in energy consumption. BTC is pretty high in energy consumption, right? I think. But isn't it like, so when open source people were like, here is a way to cover your costs? Well, we did that. This was the way back in like, okay. Also, if anyone here knows Wax Token, I like the app thing. You can buy CPU, net, RAM as your asset. It's like you are buying a server resources. Yeah, I don't know much about mining and how it works when it comes to crypto. I just know like if you try to like mine Bitcoin, it would take it takes a long fucking time to mine it, and it doesn't even cover the cost to like your energy and hardware stuff. You know what I mean? So, yeah. All right. I don't need to read all this. I already know how all this stuff works. Excuse me. What is syntax? Don't need to know. I already know what that is. Check your knowledge. What is it between console write and console write line? Console write prints the output of the new line. Console write prints the output of the new line. Wait, what is the difference between... Check your answers. What? What am I, stupid? Incorrect. Review. Hold on, what? Oh, console write line appends a new line after the output. Wait, isn't that the same thing? Console write prints the output on existing line and then appends it to a new line after. Wait. Console appends a new line after the output. Correct. Prints an output as this line. Prints the output on a new line. Right. Appends a new line after. Isn't that the fucking same thing? I'm confused. How is this different? Appends is adding to. And then this says print on a new line. Right, that's what it would do. It prints the output. Well, that's incorrect. I know that much. Yeah, I'm a little confused between these two things. I don't really get that. What do you mean? Appends to a new line after the output. Prints the output on a new line. I guess I see why this would be it, but this sounds almost identical to this. Oh, well, it doesn't really matter. Complete the challenge. This is a new line. This is a second line. All right. Well, what is it, 2:30? I actually, tell you what. No, that's it. Oh. Once you answer. Oh, really? Damn. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I mean, I tried. So, alright guys, we'll tell you what. I need to stop here. I got a nap before I gotta teach tonight. And I'm like running on fumes. I got up so early. Tomorrow, alright, I'll be back on tonight to stream, but it's not gonna be coding, it's gonna be gaming. But yeah. We will tomorrow in the daytime, I'll get on earlier. So we'll get back to this. Want to raid? Yeah, sure, I'll raid him. Give me a minute. Yeah, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. We'll be back on tonight. If you guys are interested in watching gaming, I'll be on tonight. If not, I'll see you tomorrow for the coding stuff. It was fun to get back into it. We'll do more. We'll do actually more coding tomorrow. But yeah, this was fun. Yeah. So, all right, guys. I will see you all later. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit the Linktree link, and then you guys can follow me on all the socials. Join the Discord, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. All right. On Twitch, we're gonna raid how do you pronounce it? Setoili. Anyways, we're gonna raid this person. All right, I'll see you guys later. Raid now. Wait, can I actually go to this channel? Oh, whoops. Oh my god, I didn't even go to the dude's channel.
What's up, Sika player?
Hey.
Yo, welcome in Deflux Streams. Oh boy, this guy's trouble. I didn't realize you were bringing trouble into my space here, Sika player. How you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Sika player.
What the fuck?
Sika player, thank you so much for joining us. Whoa! Deflux, dude. Thank you for the 21 months. Holy.
Relationships nowadays.
That's a lot longer than most relationships nowadays. The Sika player, it's going absolutely fantastic. How are you doing? How was your stream? What were you working on today?
All right, guys, I gotta run. I will see you all later. Thank you so much for watching.
Doing well. I am very glad to hear this. Very, very glad to hear this indeed. Thank you for bringing your folks over here and bringing yourself over here.